What is up, team? And good morning to everybody. Make sure to throw those A's in the chat right now. If you can hear your boy speak, go ahead and throw those A's in the chat immediately. Yes, I was speaking about the potential play here on the IWM hourly close, but the hourly close was super speculative, right? We don't know the guide. We don't know if it's going to go to the upside or the downside. So I have not actually signaled any potential type of paper trade on this just yet. So just know for a fact that I am still looking at it. Let's look at the SPY here. It did close beneath, actually, let's see. Oh, it closed right on the SMA 20, another speculation play there. And look at the 5-minute time frame, okay? 5-minute time frame is currently either battling the EMA 200. Not sure if it's going to close this in 1 minute and 59 seconds below that EMA 200. There could be a support validation here for a potential downside move, but we still don't know. Now, if there is, 1 minute and 48 seconds is going to be that closure. Then we could potentially front run a very short-term paper trade here for almost a point down to the linear regression bottom, aka your prior bar low. All right, so keep an eye on the SPY because that could also present to us an opportunity to get short this stock or bet the downside here on a short-term scalp. Know for a fact that we still need that closure. 1 minute and 21 seconds left. That's going to be the first indication of weakness, okay? Honestly, I preferably, I would like for the candle, for a clean close beneath the EMA 200. The SPY is looking like it could have a nice little, I would say 8 to maybe 15% gainer or more within this small play. 0 DTE puts close to at the money. So careful with your play. Make sure that you have your risk management in play. And just know that if you get a 5-minute closure above that EMA 200 and price starts going against you, might as well make sure to cut those losses while they are small. Okay, so let's see. But oh yeah, Daniel, I hear that. I also used to feel that too. You know, I also used to feel very scared when I wouldn't get the analysis from like my favorite analysts and stuff. And at one point, the guy just disappeared. You know, I used to like watching Lion Trades or Lion with a red logo or something. He had a bunch of followers, but then he just disappeared. He never came back. But he had a really low voice, and he talked about Ethereum a lot. 4 minutes. This is going to be the first close right here, team. All right, so we got the closure here. This retracement candle may come up to around 471.99 if it doesn't just capitulate from here, right? You have that 471.99 to the potential of 472.11 at the EMA 200 for a potential downside play. Okay, so this is, you could, technically get yourself a tiny position here. Remember, like I say, at that close, you get this downside, you have a little bit of exposure in the market, but your exposure, your full throttle exposure would be if it reverses to that EMA 200, right? So at this point, I personally, just like I said in the last play, right, the same deal. I would have already been short the market here. I would have already been risking the potential of a reversal or the potential of a continuation to the way down, but with minimal risk nonetheless. Let's keep an eye on IWM even still. Okay, IWM is definitely looking weak. I think that the safest thing to do here, let me look at the EMAs here. You know what? That's going to give us a quicker guide. Let me know, guys, signal me if something is happening with the, Okay, yeah, this is going to be the closure that we need to wait for. 5-minute closure beneath the EMA 9 would be ideal here for a continuation to the downside, short-term downside to 3 take profit targets. 193.60, 193.44, and slightly above the 193.32, just above that. Careful, if it closes above the EMA 9, potential reversal to the upside to test the SMA 50. Okay, so the condition here is waiting the 3 minutes and 15 seconds to close beneath that EMA 9. Let's look at SPY again. All right, SPY getting that little bit of reversal that we're talking about, right? If we're going to come back up, 2 targets to look out for, 471.99 and 472.11. That's going to be your 2 areas here of potential inflection and pivot points for a downside. It looks like it's starting to shift towards the downside. This is not saying that we can't reverse, because remember, this is a hammer candle here, which could send price action here to the upside, right? But what if it needs to test the bottom side of the linear regression one more time before that long, right? So if we don't know that, but if we're seeing here a guide towards the downside, then maybe that could be the play, right? So let's just observe and see if we can remember, guys, if you already have a little bit, well, I'm assuming that you have the little bit of exposure already in the market, right? This was our potential entry right around literally here, right? So if you have that entry, that's going to be minimal entry here. We wait for the validation and for the close of this next 5-minute candle below the EMA 200. It would be ideal if this candle closed entirely clean without any exposure to that EMA 200. Okay? So know that that's kind of what's happening here, okay? Keep an eye on that. NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, let's go ahead and take a look at the hourly time frame because that may actually be in massive play. And there could be an overall reversal here. Not sure if it found its true top here, but there was a lot of upside here for NVIDIA as it did get chosen. It got chosen, remember, for the China company. I think it was for the chipset or for something. It was a big deal, right? So currently what we're doing is validating the previous, I think, all-time high. Wasn't it 520 or something? Yeah. So that's the 520 top right there. That looks like the support that we're getting right now. There may be a drop here, but I don't think the drop is going to happen too low. In fact, we're shifting towards the upside. The play would be this. If you can wait for a scalp play, then it would be you waiting for a close of at least the SMA 10. I'm sorry, the SMA 50, the SMA 5 and the SMA 50, right? So the SMA 5 on the hourly, SMA 50 on the 5-minute, 49 seconds left to close. This is consolidating within this range here, okay? So what I'm not sure of is if the 5-minute time frame is going to get a golden cross. So that looks like it may actually play towards the upside, okay? So we may be looking at a bullish continuation on this stock. So be very careful on this. But hold on, guys. Hold on, okay? I know the chat is still going, but I am guiding a couple plays right now for the team in Discord, okay? So they are my priority right now. Hold on just a sec, team. All right, so careful, team. This right here, it could be a tweezer top. 16 seconds to close, 15 seconds to close. Remember, my personal stop losses for options trades, at least in the 0 DTE, are within the 25% realm, where I will shave off the market and re-enter at a potential better entry. Closing beneath the SMA 50 here, that actually got a death. That's actually a death cross. So I don't know why this thing would be any bullish here. Testing of the SMA 50. Watch out with your position, okay? Watch out with your position. Hold on. Yeah, remember the People's J. I was talking about a Tesla capitulation a few days ahead of time already. I'm not sure if we're going to have to wait the 6 hours here. Okay, we're going to have to wait 6 hours to close the market today to see what the bi-daily statistical setup said. Okay, here's the moment of truth, team. Here's the moment of truth. If this doesn't get the pullback here, you have to take the immediate L's here and then wait for the better positioning, okay? Do not ride this. Let's see. Jay Abrams, I think somehow your Discord rejects my email. Anything I could do or yes, Jay, please try to do it through a desktop computer or a laptop. And then see how that works out. Okay, IWM definitely it's chopping around here, team. I don't like this chop around anymore. So let's look at the SPY here. It's still resisting from the SMA 50. Remember that this is that potential final test here, okay? This is the moment of truth. Hold on. IWM is feeling weird right now. We need closure. We need to know what it's going to do. It's either closing above or below the EMA 9, but so far we have almost five consecutive closes, 4, right, that are in the middle of the EMA 9. So we have to wait for clarity there. There's no clean direction. 3 minutes and 8 seconds left to close this candle here beneath the the SMA 50, right? We're going to have to see what's going to happen here at the drop at the EMA 200, right? And then we're going to have to see how this is going to react here, right? But this is technically a very bearish moment. We are getting a death cross on the 5-minute time frame, but that doesn't mean that it can't correct. Okay, the dangerous part here is that we're already potentially closing above the EMA 200. Okay, be very, very careful at this point here. There is nothing wrong with removing half risk here, and then also if you feel that the price action is going to reverse, remove the second half of the risk at the closure, right? To see if it continues to the upside. Let's look at IWM again. See what I mean? IWM not choosing whether it wants to close beneath or above that EMA 9. Eyeballs on the EMA 9, okay? 2 minutes and 6 seconds left to close the SPY ticker. Let's see. Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia is about to get that potential closure. If it closes above this SMA 50, 1 minute and 53 seconds, it's looking like it could shift to the upside here. But remember, we have the pre-market high at 528.32. That could be a potential 4-point move to the upside on the Nvidia. Eyeballs on this play. Okay, SPY still resisting the SMA 50 here. Might be something with my email. Jay, I replied to you, buddy. Did you by any chance get my reply? Here's the next thing to worry about, team. That's let's see. Bob, good, very good note. That is absolutely something that we have to watch out for. Nvidia may actually pull the market up with it too. So careful with that. Okay, so let's look at the SPY here. 45 seconds left to close beneath the SMA 50. And you know what we're gonna have to look at? We're gonna have to look at Microsoft too. I know that Microsoft was in play. Oh my goodness. Which one did? Yeah, so in 5 hours, so in 5 hours and 45 seconds, we're gonna get the closure of the buy daily, and this is gonna start proving my thesis towards the downside too. But remember the statistical backtest on this. I said that it could happen by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So there could be a play there. Okay, Nvidia getting the close beneath the SMA 50 here, potential retracement to the prior bar. Actually, that's the prior bar low already at 523. If this thing could drop anymore, it actually may do it to 522.26 after a validation of the SMA 50. Let's look at the SPY real quick. Let's see what it's doing. Where is it? What the hell happened here? How the hell did I remove my SPY? That's ridiculous. I hate having to start all over here. Okay, team, I would risk off at this point here. We're definitely getting pressure to the upside. Watch out with this. Technically, yes. The reposition would be that. The reposition here would be the close above the SMA 50 for a continuation to the upside. And let me see. Stochastic momentum getting a little overextended, but the RSI still has a lot of space to go. Okay. So yeah, let me go to the hourly time frame on the SPY because that should be. Yeah, we'd have to. Okay, yeah, we'd have to wait for the pullback here. You're looking like you could get a pullback very, very soon from 472.90. That could end. You then could enter. I'm sorry. You then could wait for the closure of above 472.58, where the SMA 200 is on the 5-minute. Yeah, Jay. Yes, absolutely, Jay. You can still get in, of course. What I will say is that I look at your spam folder, okay? Because remember, I'm coming through your email. If I were some type of a company, maybe. Okay, so look at your spam folder because I know a lot of people found my email there. But take a look at it there because I did reply to you right after you sent me the email where you said, I hope you get this. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left for the SPY to close above the SMA 200. This thing could shift towards the upside. Please look at your volume here. 5-minute volume already above. This is the third iteration above your volume. Okay, so you're getting some relative volume towards the upside, and it looks like the volume on this 5-minute may start combating the prior bar. What I'm thinking here is that it may make its move all the way to the SMA 10 hourly resist. So the breaking points for SPY. Please remember that I'm talking about a couple conditions here. Okay, so there could be a bounce because I'm thinking here that the signal will fire off at the where I said at 237.92. I'm thinking that the signal could fire off at that area after a bounce from this zone here. So it's the gap bottom, and also the support of a few candles there too. So 230.72 is where I'm waiting for price action to dip down into, and then it may actually correct. Now, how far it corrects? No, I have no clue. Okay, I have no clue. But there could be a signal fired around here at 237.92. And then the statistical setup for this, I'm talking about a 30-point move, 30 to 40-point move to the downside here on Tesla. Remember that I already ran the back test and I have the results for this, and this is actually the wrong one. It's actually this one right over actually here. Right? So immediate short-term targets, we already have them. Okay? So let's see. There's the setup. So remember, 35 iterations, right, where volatility expanded from critical contraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have 6 bars, 6 bi-daily bars closing here. ENPH, ENPH would have been the move for now, right? That's not going to continue throughout the day. So this is the second largest contraction iteration here for Tesla, which is pretty significant because the last time that it was here, it was for 10-bar close in 2013. So historically speaking, Tesla is set to make a pretty exponential move to the downside. Okay, so I am thinking here that the signal will fire at the close today, will be right at that 15% of volatility with an upside pivot and expanding, and that back test led to these results here. 35 total iterations where that condition happened, where I just spoke of. 29 of those guessed the downside correctly. That puts us at an 86% accuracy, with an average drop of 14.7%. 14.7% from that entry that I was talking about of around 280, I forgot where I said on the previous close, whatever that was, is about 198 or $200 Tesla. Okay? And the standard deviation here is a decline of 9.90%. You know what I mean? Oh, Danielle, you put yourself all the way to YouTube to do that? You're so amazing. I love you, Danielle. Thank you so much. You really didn't have to do that, but I can't tell you how much I appreciate you for doing that. We have to be super careful in the markets, and trust me, every single shot that we miss here, I hate them, but we have to play the odds the right way, right? We have to keep our losers small, keep our winners concentrated and big. You can beat the market here with a 40% average. IWM, man. See, Pennington, you catch what I'm saying here? I felt weird about it, buddy. Okay, so guys, I don't know if you ended up getting the exposure here, but you got that closure above the SMA 200. There may be a retracement here, okay? Because you still have to validate both of the SMA 200s on the 5-minute and the hourly. Okay, so you may get a little bit of retracement here, Getting that closure of this candle, the 5-minute candle above that SMA 200 and the SMA 50, that will lead for a potential continuation to the upside, and NVIDIA may be leading that. Okay, so you're about to get a closure of the SMA 50 in 2 minutes and 35 seconds. NVIDIA and NVIDIA and a SPY are in play, and there could be something there. Oh my goodness, Netflix is showing pressure. Let's see. Is Tesla breaking down? Yes, it is. Okay, so Tesla is breaking down. It's headed towards its target of 231.15. That also is a whole other play, right? But I'm guys, just so you know, just so everyone is kind of clear here, right? We have a small enough group so you can hear it. So Tesla is actually one of my auditions for smart money here for the hedgies, right? So this is one of my plays that I'm actually betting on for. They want to know my strike rate. They want to know how good I am applying my system to the trade and how accurate it can be for I'm not talking about daily plays. I'm talking about massive plays, like big money plays. So this could be one of them here, right? So just just a little Senior Pennington. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, it is pretty cool. It is pretty cool, right? So it's definitely it's definitely like a little tryout there. 1 minute and 10 seconds left to close the SPY there, and also NVIDIA closing above day's high now. Okay, yep. 59 seconds left to close NVIDIA. Closing above the day's high is going to send the price action here 2 points above. So you could actually, man, watch out with this, okay? I'm not sure that it's going to revert all the way to the SMA 50, but remember the potentials here, okay? Immediate exposure, right? Small exposure, and wait for the break beneath. You have to wait for the break beneath the day's high, okay? Because the day's high right now is sitting at 525.36, and we're already breaking above that, or 535.26. Right around there. Let me see. I'll tell you which one it is. 525.25. It's 525.25. Okay. 17 seconds left to close. NVIDIA is in play. I will choose NVIDIA over the SPY here, team. Yes, Danielle, NVIDIA. Let me see if I can catch. Let me see if I can catch some of these. Okay, we got the closure here, team. This would be right about here at 525.52. If you can get that, that would be immediate exposure, small exposure. Okay, now it depends on the type of contract that you're looking for. But I mean, in my, I really couldn't afford anything much more than the 555 long calls, right? So wait for that. Okay, wait for that. You're here exposed very minimally. Okay, very minimal. You got to wait for that pullback. Got to wait for the pullback here. Okay, because you're going to be testing. You're going to be testing the 525.25, which is the break of the high of day, right? See, it's bouncing from the 30. Okay, so that high of day is support. You have to make sure to break what the high. You have to make sure to mark what the high of day is so far, what your pre-market high is, and what the prior day high is. Okay, so prior day, there's nothing there. So right now, what we mark off, pre-market low and the high of day. So and also the pre-market high, because those are going to be our relevant supports and resistances, okay? I am literally giving to you information that the master students will learn later. Literally later. Destiny, where you at and what you looking at? Let me see. I'm going to pull up my first idea here was actually to utilize your SQQQ. Hold on a sec. Because if you're looking at Destiny, check this out. I'm preparing a play here, okay? At this moment here, we could open exposure here on NVIDIA. I'm not sure what you can afford, right? But in my personal, like what I could afford is honestly like a 555 long call, January 12th expiry, right? So this is actually supporting from the day's high, 525.25, or what was it again? Yeah, 525.25 is current support. Okay, so now what I'm doing here is if it comes back to the SMA 50, there we go. If it comes back to the SMA 50, we close this in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. That would be the first indication for a continuation to the upside. So you would be looking at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You would be looking at a potential 4-point increase from this SMA 50 to the pre-market high of 528.31. You get out of the market there. Check it out, team. We're here. We're getting close. We're getting close to that SMA 50. Eyeballs on that. Eyeballs on that. And careful with your risk too, okay? Let's see. Yeah, Ian, I'm not trading anything, brother. I'm actually not trading anything at all. And if anything for that call, I'm trading a paper trade. Okay, this is max risk. Careful. This is right here the break. Okay, we need to make sure now. This is where we keep our stops tight. Okay, it's just the thesis. The thesis is here to find out if we can catch entry at this SMA 50. You have an invalidation at 522.93. That's gaining a little more exposure. Remember, we're doing little bits by little bits. You don't want to open full exposure right away because you don't want to make sure that you get the full risk out. We have to wait. We have to wait. Okay, be very patient here. Can you? Oh, dude, okay. Oh, dude. Then let's evaluate that tonight, dude. I'm gonna go to mom and dad's. Okay. I love you, Choop. Bye. Okay. All right. All right. All right. This is annoying. I hate this. It's always a nerve-wracking time here, man. Wow. All right, 9 minutes to close above the SMA 50. Jesus Lord. Okay, so it's always such a thing, you know. Okay, we got a closure above the SMA 50. Potential small pullback here to around that 524.38, and then we start combating that ridiculous thing again. All right, now the next best closure here, if we don't get an immediate run to the upside, right, would be closing in 29 minutes above the SMA 10. And then if we close above the SMA 10, then yes, sure, we still have a 3-point to 4-point move above. Here's the pullback to test that SMA 50, right? So yes, that is a possibility, but the actual move would be to find an all-time high. That could be at 532.86 today. Okay, so just remember how conditional this is, because we're literally looking at the NVIDIA to lead the market towards the upside here. This is really dangerous. Dude, I know. B, please tell me you've been watching my videos on Tesla. Please tell me you've been watching my videos on Tesla, brother. I'm calling pretty much a 30 to 40 point move downward on Tesla. Bob saying Tesla's still falling, validating your thesis. Awesome. My brother. It's tough, man. Stupid NVIDIA over here. Hold on. We got to watch out. Keep your risk. All right. Man, it really is nerve-wracking times here. Okay. Microsoft seems to be repairing a little bit here, but of course, it has a massive amount of support, of resistance on that way up. It's a lot. It really is a lot. Oh my goodness, man. So, but yeah, team, just please remember what I'm talking about, right? On Tesla. I myself, team, I am not. I am not trading this with any type of real cash. In fact, I'm not long or short anything today because my dash trader's failing. But my overall take profit today, team, would be at around 231.10 or 231.15, sorry, for Tesla on the hourly time frame, as that will be the take profit for this formation. We already knew that this formation was going to do it at the break of this regression of 235.09 and the inflection zone. Okay, so those are very obvious targets that we can look at for breakdowns. Okay, let's go back to NVIDIA, see what it's doing. Guys, watch it. Okay, watch it. We have minimal entry here. Remember, we're still at minimal entry. We have potentially 2 small longs here. Okay, we don't want to expose all the way in case this thing reverses. The SMA 20 is your support here at 521. Careful. Let's take a look at the pressure. What's happening here? Okay, SPY showing a little bit of pressure here. It could want to validate that EMA 200, which is pressuring the NVIDIA. Let's take a look at Microsoft too. Microsoft also showing a little bit of pressure too. Oh my goodness. You see how Microsoft and NVIDIA are kind of feeding off of each other? Watch with your risk. We are talking about minimal risk right now, okay? And guys, I promise you that I have to show and display how important it is not to open full risk. But what I'm seeing here, team, is this. I'm seeing a similar behavior here. So we have that immediate downside, we have an upside, and then we have a correction towards the downside. And then the thing just, does its thing for a little bit. It's sort of like that. Immediate downside, we got that upside and correction for a little bit, right? So I'm looking at that very, very interesting potential that this is just the start of a continuation to the upside into new highs. But we also have to validate the continuation to the upside, right? This 528.32, your pre-market high is an all-time high. If you have any questions, please go ahead and post them. Let's keep an eye on the SPY. And also, okay, SPY is starting to turn around now. We're about to get a closure above the SMA 200 on the 5-minute, and the hourly is going to close, 25 minutes to close above the 200. That's good. Microsoft also starting to show that upside pressure. NVIDIA starting to retrace just a little bit here, okay? Watch out. And it really almost feels like Tesla wants to bring the whole world down with it. But I'm betting on what is it called? I'm betting on capitalization here, because you have NVIDIA. Let's see. You have NVIDIA here with a 1.291 trillion cap. Microsoft, if we're gonna get this upside here, I just think that this was just a breather here for a pullback and then a continuation to the upside. That is also a 2.76 trillion. So I'm saying that these mega caps have the advantage in weight over NVIDIA. Okay, so I don't think Tesla has the weight over NVIDIA. So that's my bet here. Okay, so the correction's based around market caps. All right, keep it close, team. Keep it close. And we're talking about, guys, just for the YouTube, right? We're talking about simulator trading. We're talking about training purposes only, team, and also entertainment purposes. Keep your risks tight. Make sure that your entries are minimal at this point until we get true validation for closures, and then we go. All right, so starting to show a little bit of upside here. Let's bring in some indicators here. We're bouncing off of that SMA 14. We're getting very close on the RSI. We're getting close to that gravitational zone. This is likely going to come up here to start testing the SMA 50 at around 524.40. Let's see. The same thing here. We're starting to curl on the RSI on the hourly time frame. This is right in the gravitational zone as well. and feels like it's going to start curving towards that upside fairly soon. And know that on the hourly time frame, we still have the ADX with the DMI plus, the bulls leading on top, and they're leading on top with a 48% average on the average directional index, the ADX. So this is pretty strong trend for the bulls even still. Okay, so here we go on that move that we spoke of, right? Moving up to that 524.40. We're going to face a little bit of resistance there. The pullback can happen from that resistance to 522.90. Right? And then from that 522.90, we could potentially close this 5-minute candle above that resistance and then try to get above that SMA 50 again. Okay, so far, what your thing should be looking like is kind of like this, right? You're looking like it's looking like a little position like this. It's looking like a little position like this, right? So entry, we're still waiting. Okay, we're still waiting here. We want that validation in the close of the 5-minute candle above the SMA 50 here to start a new trend. But we're looking okay. We're coming back to that break-even target, right? This is always a scary part. All right, let's go look at the indicators here. The RSI is certainly shifting towards a potential upside continuation. SMA 14 is showing a positive slope too. Okay, another thing to notice here is that volatility is starting to expand again. We're starting to show upside here. What time is it right now? It's looking like we're at 7:40 a.m. Here we go. We're testing that 525, that 424.40, right? Then we get that little bit of a pullback at that 524.40 back to the area of around 522.98. Potentially back into the prior bar's low, 523.51 to 522.98, right around there. All right. With patience here, let's just watch it. How is Tesla doing, by the way? Okay, Tesla's still performing the massive thesis. I did speak about, I literally spoke about take profit here on Tesla. I freaking hate that we didn't take that, right? The short-term targets here, the entries were here, right? We got all the entries that we wanted, except for the very last one. And then the play was to end right here at 232.20, and we just hit it at 232.04. Goodness, I hope somebody played that at least, right? So, this was literally said. I said take a screenshot of this and play it. SPY showing a little bit of a pullback to that SMA 200 validation, potentially the SMA 50. Let's see if it closes, if it continues closing above. Potential 5-minute bull flag here. And let's see, NVIDIA. Okay. Wow. NVIDIA got a closure above the SMA 50. That's interesting. Okay. So let's get that pullback here to validate the supports, right? 522.89 to about 523.66. Bull volume is starting to reintroduce here. Let's see what's going on. Samsung profit warnings, spread fear through tech, Apple, NVIDIA, Meta stocks falling. What? Did you just hear what that said? NVIDIA, Meta, and all those stuff falling? What the hell are you talking about falling? NVIDIA is at its new all-time high as of an hour ago. Like, what? Ian, the Tesla play hasn't even started, bro. Oh, man. So the short-term play, remember that I said that I was talking, I don't know if you saw the videos, right? So I was talking about the short-term play for Tesla. So I said, here's the immediate short-term play. So I said, these are still our potential entries. This is going to be the take profit for it, right? But this is not the play that I'm looking for. I remember on the videos, I said it like that. I said, but this is not the play that I'm looking for. I am looking for the volatility play. So if we can get here, the closure, remember, we have 5 hours and 18 minutes to close this buy daily, and we are already starting to expand in volatility. As soon as we get this expansion, right, we need the volatility component and moving average above or at the 15% of volatility to confirm expansion. So as soon as we get that confirmation of expansion, that would be a signal fired off to look at the statistical play. So we're looking at a move here remember the lower bound of the first standard deviation had those targets. Where is it? I think I may have said it here. Oh, right here. So yeah, the lower bound of the first standard deviation is a target of 226.46. The triangle breakdown target is located right at 224.44. So it's rhyming here with the 2-spot 272 and the 2-spot 618. So this is here the first statistical move. The move that we just did right now to the support line where you just found it, right here, that was the immediate short-term move. So I was in the video I spoke about, I'm looking for the day traders and for the swing traders. So I gave the targets for both. NVIDIA, where are you? Okay, 1 minute and 42 seconds left, dipping down to the areas that we were expecting here. Remember, 522.89, I think it was, where I was looking for the bottom side support. Oh yeah, Ian. Oh, dude. Yeah, no. Remember that little tiny thing I said there, right? Of this being the audition for hedge fund and stuff. It's only one of this. I need to do 10, and I plan on getting all 10 right. So, it's 10 massive back tests, but I'm talking about not day trade moves, real moves, like real moves. Big money movers. And with all this bullish action and the SPY making new highs, who in their right mind was saying Tesla downside? Your boy here was. I was the only one saying it, man. People were like, dude, markets are showing good. The markets are green. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm like, dude, the stats are saying what they're saying, man. Sure, there's a 15% or 17% possibility for a retracement to the upside. I get it. But the stats are saying 82% probability for a downside here, and we're very close to that signal, so I don't know. Also, Ian, here's one more thing. There's been several conversations that I've had with retail about this. So, meaning that I said that if you are playing shares on Tesla, then your bet here would be to enter here and wait for the setup, right? So this would be our initial entry here for that setup to happen, because I need the setup to drop exponentially so that it can increase volatility. So, and the reason why volatility would increase is because volatility increases easier when there is downside. So it's the mechanics behind that thing that I just talked about. They're pretty intense. Okay. So, man, careful again. It looks like we want to come back and test that SMA 200, potential 521.50. Getting that closure here. What is happening with the SPY and Microsoft? That's making me feel like they're failing a little bit. They're retracing a little bit. SPY also retracing just a little bit here too. 14 minutes to close the hourly candle. That would be the one there. Okay. All right. I see what the potentials are here. So everything is at inflection for a potential upside continuation. The SPY is feeling like it wants to close above that SMA 200. The hourly time frame in 13 minutes and 46 seconds. Okay, it's looking like that's what it's going to want to do. It may actually pressure Microsoft to the upside too. Look at Microsoft trying to close above his SMA 200 in 13 minutes as well. And guess what? Microsoft closing above the linear regression band at 372.27. It's literally knocking at the door. And guys, master students, what is this looking like? This is your SMA 50. This is your SMA 200 on the 5-minute. What is that looking like? Powder Slave. I actually took my exit yesterday at 31. That's right, Ian. That's right. We're about to get a 5-minute golden cross here, which is shifting potential upside. Where is it today, by the way? You're at a loss on that one? Okay, at the SMA 200 validation team, watch out. But what I'm thinking here is that the SPY and Microsoft may actually take this thing. It may feel a little more pressure to the downside because the SPY still has that SMA 50 there. Let's look at NVIDIA. Okay, still supporting from that SMA 200. Let's look at Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft still knocking at that door. Let's see if we can get that validation of a golden cross here for a continuation to the upside. If I'm not mistaken here, it almost feels like the bulls want to take over from here. And that could be set because of this. Yeah, so we have this complete chop zone here, right? So arguably we're at the 50% of that chop area. So if we start closing above that 50% of the chop, which could be the SMA 200 on the hourly, that could start presenting the continuation to the upside. Man, I think Microsoft, if it does get the closures above these critical resistances, I think Microsoft may take the market with it to the upside. We're about to get a closure in 10 minutes, potentially above the SMA 20, above the linear regression band on the hourly, and potentially above the SMA 200. Something is about to shift. It may actually start to the upside here, team. Look at the SPY. Look at the SPY supporting from that SMA 50, taking NVIDIA with it as well. Powder Slave, what's your average on that one, brother? All right, the SPY showing that pressure towards the upside. This is looking like a nice hammer candle close in 3 seconds. 2, 1, hammer close. Let's see if we can get, if it comes back down to the SMA 200, it's all good. But usually this is a continuation towards the upside type of a candle, right? Okay. Feeling like, okay, look at this. The SPY on the 5-minute got the golden cross. It's kind of knocking at the door here of the SMA 200 on the 5-minute time frame. 9 minutes left to close above this potential SMA 200. We'll see. This is the validation here that I was talking about, right? Potential drop to that SMA 50. It doesn't mean that we're gonna fail. I'm just saying that it usually kind of happens like that, right? But NVIDIA, and man, the bull volume is starting to creep in little by little here. And guess what we're looking at on the RSI? Do you guys remember what this zone is here? We're starting to look at a potential support zone from both the SMA 14 and the gravitational zone here. What's up, SA? What's going down with you, bro? Dude, have you seen Seb? Has he not come in?
No, haven't seen him.
Oh, dude. Yeah, man. I wonder if he's doing okay, bro. I know he's trying to. Hey, Jennifer, what's up with you?
This morning has been a chop fest.
Super chop fest, bro. I'm thinking.
I've got my ass handed to me twice.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no, dude. I'm sorry. I actually I led Danielle, and I don't know how many others here on a good 11% gainer, 10% gainer in the morning, but that's it so far. I haven't found the next the next best setup. I'm feeling like Microsoft here is about to get a shift towards the upside. 7 minutes to close above the linear regression band in the SMA 20 and the SMA 200. Nvidia,
Microsoft,
say again, brother.
Microsoft has to pass 370,
The highs,
315.
three. Which one?
That's there. And there's a EMA in front of it.
We have an SMA 10 too at 373.15. That's the EMA 9
Yep.
you're looking at, right?
No, that's the 50, I think. No, what is it?
Hourly time frame, I have an SMA 10 there. And
Okay,
prior bar.
5 minute. In 5 minute, I have
in the 5
50, I think.
Let me see. And then also
Not
the
50.
prior bar high on the hourly. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, it's the 100 on the. We have to pass the 100 on the 5.
Okay. So take a look.
So
Take
it's
a
at
look.
the same spot.
It's in the same spot. Okay, so I'm thinking. Look at this. We have a little bit of a golden cross here happening on the SPY. I'm not sure if this is going to validate here or whatever, because we still may want to test that at that EMA 200. But there's also the test of the 472.29, and it feels like SPY and Microsoft are kind of leading the way here. But Microsoft is starting to get the golden cross here on a 5-minute time frame, 1 minute to close, and 6 minutes to close, where I told you, right? So I know we have that resistance of the SMA 10, but I think Microsoft is about to drag the market up with it.
If we could get that close, we're good.
Yeah.
Like right now, we're hitting
Watch
it.
out here, dude. This is what I'm talking about here. 1 minute. If we can close the day's high and the day's high at about what is it, 373.21, with at least a 5-minute candle, that's already a good sign.
Yeah, if we hit that, we're gonna go to 377.63.
377.63. I have a 376.10 and also the 377.16 of the prior day high. So yeah, or prior day high, the weekly high. Here it goes. 33 seconds left. We're right at the day's high, and I think this
If we
is going
can
to start
confirm over the 100, we're good on the 5.
on the 5.
Yep.
Okay. And SPY and Nvidia are starting to react towards that potential top side on Microsoft. Let's see what's up. 14 seconds left to close, and 5 minutes left for this candle to, dude. This is a 5-minute bullish engulfing on the hourly time frame, and closing above the mid band here on linear regression. There we go. Here we go.
Yep. That's it. Now we see
Microsoft breaking here. There could be a retracement back to test the day's high at 373.21. But this is what I'm looking for.
This is a good entry.
Say again, buddy.
This is a good entry on this candle.
Yep, I agree. Guys, watch out on this.
Boom.
This is not done. 4 minutes and 28 seconds left. Is not done.
So we're looking for a red to green break now, which is 374.69.
Absolutely. 4-minute time frame too to close the bullish engulfing.
Okay, I'm back to green now.
Nice. Good deal, buddy. Good deal. Yes. Okay.
Come on.
Okay, Nvidia feeling the pressure towards that upside too. Let's see if it's dragging the SPY. The SPY is also dragging towards the upside. Everything is going to start to lead like that. Netflix getting to the upside as well. Dude, I think the market's just shifted.
So the Discord, he does go on YouTube, but he's transferring off of it.
Yeah, that's what I'm streaming to YouTube like this too. Oh man, dude, 3 minutes to close. This is going to be 3 minutes for Nvidia to close above the linear regression band as well.
Microsoft has more potential.
Oh yeah, yeah. I've been. This is a late thesis. I saw Microsoft pulling that. I saw Microsoft pulling that potential, and then I'm thinking,
But it
wow,
got,
is it going to drag
but it
Nvidia?
did get rejected hard though.
Where is it getting rejected? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Uh, Pretty much at red to green.
Damn it, dude! And we still have the prior. I'm sorry, the pre-market high to go. There's also the potential of the closure above the SMA 10, 2 minutes and 33 seconds, bullish engulfing closure as well on the hourly. I honestly think this still has a ways to go. I think it's still on the flip. The RSI in the hourly definitely has resistance coming in, but the 5-minute RSI pivoted straight to the upside here, and it looks like it's bleeding that upside into the 10-minute, cascading into the 15-minute time frame is absolutely vertical. 30-minute time frame vertical and crossing above the SMA 14, and the hourly, of course, that's going to be the next zone to combat. 1 minute and 57 seconds left to close above the Lin Reg, and the SMA 10, and the bullish engulfing, and above the SMA 200.
As long as we hold above the 100, we're good.
Yeah, Destiny,
We got 2 minutes to hold
eyeballs
above it.
on your. Hold on. I'm curious to see how this is going to feel. Destiny, eyeballs on calls, MSFT. And also the break of the SMA 50 here for NVIDIA. That's going to lead to a continuation to the upside. And let me see what SPY is doing. SPY is still lingering around the validation points here. It probably wants to get that EMA 200. NVIDIA is starting to separate from the SPY. And Microsoft showing its pressure here. We're 1 minute left to close.
Come on. This is our key right here.
This is potentially a paper entry around here, team.
This closes, we are good.
NVIDIA starting to show its upside.
I'm getting back in.
Dude, I don't know if the broader markets are going to start shifting here. I think Microsoft may bring it all up. Holy crap.
That's a disgusting wick down though.
I'll see you, Katie. Dude, oh my God, it is. So hourly time frame on NVIDIA looks like a shakeout. This looks like the hammer here for a continuation. Here it goes. NVIDIA moving to the upside. Damn.
Yeah, this is all a shakeout.
Dude, it feels like a shakeout just to shake the potential people who are betting long. Oh my goodness. NVIDIA is pushing. Microsoft is also retracing here. 1 second left and close the bullish engulfing above the SMA 10, above the SMA 200. This is go time, team. Let's go. NVIDIA is starting to show that pressure towards the upside here too. Let's see Microsoft. Let's see how it's reacting. Potential retracement to the SMA 10 at 373.26. Eyeballs on position here, team. No, Senor Pennington. Oh, dude, that's terrible. Jonna, good to see you here. What is good with you? And what are you telling me about Viri? What's happening with Viri? Guy, Cryptic, keep an eye on me, please, on that Microsoft play. And NVIDIA coming up to the SMA 50. That is about to break it. NVIDIA is about to break the SMA 50. And this thing is going to shift towards the upside. And what the hell is even the range on this right now? Remember, NVIDIA, guys, has a huge average true range on a daily. You're looking at 1341 average true range. And we are at the open right now.
I think NVIDIA wants 350, honestly.
Dude.
550.
550, dude. I was honestly thinking that this could get right up here to the first resistance level could be around 534-ish. 550 would be massive, bro. Guys, I think NVIDIA is about to shift towards the upside. Watch out your positions here, team.
Like, NVIDIA, I would actually get 2-week out calls.
The shares?
But they're expensive as hell.
They are super expensive unless you're going out of the money.
I know.
Here's Microsoft team showing that upside. You should be in the money now. on your paper trade. You should be green now.
Okay, Microsoft, we're going to combat the red to green. If we do, we're taking off. So
Short size. Good morning, Arca. Would love to join your Discord. Just not able to at this time. It would be nice if you could occasionally provide brief updates on GTA. I figure YouTube in the future, brother. I want to try my very best to do that for you, and I promise you. Okay, I have loved learning from you. Much more to do. Okay, my accounts have taken great hits over the years, and I believe that your insights are awesome, my brother. Thank you so much. But it's not just me, dude. I am lucky enough to have great traders next to me and great analysts too. So, and a great team. So just know that it's not a selfish effort. This is actually a great thing that I am able to trade and lucky enough to trade with people like Cryptic, with people like Off Grid Gorilla. You know, I'm very lucky, dude. So I appreciate you for saying that, buddy. And also know, team, that what he is speaking about is actually the Arca Bulls trading team. And that is actually something that I will encourage you to join, right? Careful, guys. This is going to be this is the red to green here on NVIDIA completely. And this is going to continue to the upside here, breaking 1 minute and 51 seconds above that SMA 50. You're going to get a continuation to the upside. Watch your risk at 526.26. But I do think that this is going to get a 4-point increase from where we are now. Okay, so careful, careful, careful. But I think the shift here in the markets is live. And we may start getting a complete overall overhaul. Just like we did yesterday. Immediate shakeout in the earlier time, and then we started continuing on. Right? So I'm going to go ahead and put on here on YouTube. I got to tell you guys that this is the only reason I'm here live on YouTube right now is because I have some pressures in the Discord where I haven't figured it out just yet. Right? I'm trying to get my analysts to have premium access, and I'm not getting it. So I'm still displaying to you what I'm going to be guiding here in the AM. Remember, I am live with the team sometimes a minute or two before 6:30 a.m. Pacific, which is market open. Okay, team, we are and at that market open, you have range plays. Okay, so you have opening range plays. Here we go. NVIDIA starting the shift, team. Your position should be in the green now. Let's go ahead and take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft positions are also in the green. All right, guys, now we have 2 plays in the green and also another play bagged in already. But I will say that the play from the earlier team, that was before the YouTube stream started. Okay? So these are now 3 guided plays that are green right now, team. Okay? Keep your eyes on the markets, keep your eyes on your risk. Make sure to risk only what you're able to lose or willing to lose, and make sure to keep those stops, and do not have full exposure with no risk in play. All right, trust the process, trust price action. The guidance here is leading towards an upside. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, right, Cryptic?
Yep.
Here we go, team. Microsoft still showing a little bit of pressure.
Always have a stop.
Always, brother.
Well, let's see. Microsoft is still not where I want it. It still needs our red or green break.
Yeah, I think it wants it's what are we looking for really here? So it could be after hours yesterday could be a support at 373.43. The nearest thing that I can think of. Right? The other thing is that we could come back to the opening high.
No, we're gonna break that. We're looking for a break of red to green and then pre-market high at 375.25.
Oh, okay. You see it. We're right there.
375.25.
375.25. This let's see. 375.25 pre-market high. The break of that, dude, will lead into a massive. The
break of that will lead into the next pivot of 377.63. It could do that today.
I think so too. Guys, I know your position is green on NVIDIA, right? I just want you to watch what's happening in the price action, okay? If you are, man, what I'm really looking for is at least the break of the opening bar, right? The opening 5-minute bar at 525.27. If I can get a break above that 525.27, then it's clear skies to that 526.21 that we're looking for, right? Here we go.
Yeah,
There we go.
technically, I still wouldn't even play NVIDIA. I know you have, but
Um,
I'm looking for a breakout of 326.22 before I even consider getting in.
on NVIDIA, 526.
22. I need a
That's
break and hold of that before I get in, and that will write it 2 points up.
this. Yeah. So I'm looking for, dude. So I have the team in right now, massively in the green. I think 2 points up right now. This could be a 4-point move at 526.21. I'm thinking here short-term profit take at 526.21. Careful, team. This is okay. There's nothing wrong with starting to take your profits here, team. Remove some of your risk on NVIDIA. All right, you have resistances coming up.
Remember, NVIDIA has is going to have to break the channel, and it's going to reject a little at 526.22.
Yep.
Unless it's real strong.
Unless it just blows by it, of course. But I don't want to gamble
but
that.
your people have options, so
Yeah.
they need to. Yeah.
Guys, remember, I'm telling you to take your risk off the table right around there. It still has strength. But I want this thing to reposition and then break above that 526, and then we go again.
But you could go back in, yeah.
Yeah. So team, you are in the green. I hope you took Jonna. Okay, I got you. This is you're kind of facing support here at the opening bar high. Right there. Okay, team. So if we could get up to these areas here, this around here, team, I would already be shaving massively off position here. Okay, I don't want to wait for that touch of 526. I know that it's going to 526, but that's not my bet. My bet is to maintain green. Let me know in the chat if you got out of the market, team.
Now, ignore Arca's advice if you're using shares.
Exactly. You can actually hold this all damn day. I'm talking about volatility moves here, team. Please remember that. Yes. Oh man, if we were playing the shares, it'd be a whole different story. Dude, did you see Tesla? It's playing the thesis out pretty nicely. Yep. We already reached the take profit target that I spoke about in the video last night or 2 days ago. So that was from the entry of these two entries up here down to this area here of around 232.20. It took it at 232.04. So that was a clean play. But that's not the one that I'm looking for, dude. I am looking for a 30-point move down on this one.
That's not the big one. That's just the
scalp. That's the daily play.
Yep.
Yeah, and I do think that Tesla's facing some weird pressures. So, guys, if you are nice, DJ, you got 25% on the NVIDIA calls out for now. Nice, good job. If you are still in, I would consider taking your risk off the table now. Okay, I would consider removing risk now.
NVIDIA that has potential, I would not go all out. Go like 80% out and leave runners, and then you could size back in.
Because I think that we could get that. I really do think that we could get that potential 526 top close to it, right? And then we'll get that retracement back to start getting closures above the SMA 50, and then see about getting those. Because this candle here on a 5-minute, you see how the wick is penetrating beneath the SMA 50. That's exposure. That's not good yet. We need a clean close above the SMA 50 and maybe another one too. So this may be the first one here. This is going to get that top side potentially in the next 4 minutes to that 526 top, get the retracement, validate another clean close above the SMA 50, and then we look for the break above the 526, and then closing above that, we long the 4-point move, or 5, or 10, or whatever. But risk should be off the table now, Tina. You should be cash. Let's look at Microsoft and see how the play is going on that one. Microsoft is still in the green. We're just still waiting here. Consolidation. But DJ, congratulations, buddy. I love that you were able to get that, man. So now that marks off 2 green trades on the day for the Arca Bulls team. Please remember to hit that link in the chat, YouTube, so that you can join and come up and trade with us live every day. As I'm just streaming. Remember, I said I was just streaming for now because not even my analysts have the entry into the Arca trading platform right now. So it's just in Discord. So while I have that getting repaired or figured out or whatever, I'm gonna stream temporarily here on YouTube. But remember that I am trading with the team starting like 6:28 a.m. 6:30 a.m. I'm already here. Microsoft showing more green. I know your positions are green on Microsoft team. I personally am looking for you're getting close to a potential first area to remove some risk. I would remove risk right around that 374.20, maybe even around the area where you are now, right? So I would take some of those gains out of the bag here and let it continue to that potential 374.20, 374.18.
You 74.69. 69.
You'd rather the 69?
Yeah. Well, the higher day is not a channel, so I think it could roll past it.
Yeah.
And
prior day high.
Green.
And then your prior day high sitting at a very similar to the pre-market high. So I'm talking about because of the options.
74.69, and then higher day, prior day 375.25.
375.25.
But for options, I mean, right now we're slowing down for options.
Exactly. So that's why I was telling team, like, try to try to remove risk off the table here. So, dude, look at the 5-minute time frame. You're getting a golden cross on the 5-minute, and Ian is telling us that MSFT on the 5-minute is also getting a silver cross. Yeah, so we're getting both the silver cross EMA 21 over the EMA 55, and we're also getting the golden cross SMA 200 over the SMA 50. So this is looking it's looking pretty good. Also, the 5-minute time frame EMA 200 starting the curve.
Microsoft.
DJ, appreciate you, buddy.
I think with Microsoft, its ATR isn't too huge though.
Oh no! Did it? Oh right, it actually did a lot of weird stuff. What is it looking like on the daily?
The ATR for Microsoft is 5.9. So we're gonna get to 3. I think 375 is doable though, still with the ATR.
Yeah, and also the open today was at 372.02.01. And you're just under 2 points up right now. So I still and the 375 40 is actually meeting at the 4 spot 236 fib. So that's also a potential there. Let me go
chat.
Say it again.
Mod chat.
Oh no. Don't hold on, dude. No, man. You just started the freaking thing. Why are you there? You know what I mean? Like without a single word. That looks like buy high and sell hella low. You know.
Oh, you do produce stars.
Shooting stars, bro. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is right around here, right? Try to shave off some position here on Microsoft off of your if you have options contracts, this is one of the areas where you can shave off position. If you want to shave off entire position, it's okay too, but do your thing. But remember, it's just options contracts are completely dependent on volatility. So let's go back to NVIDIA and see what the deal is here. Okay, so so we came back. We definitely came back. We just got the opening of the next 5-minute candle. We came back to that SMA 50 like we spoke of, right? So it was a clean close, but I still don't like it. We need to close above that 526.21 range, okay? If we can get a closure of a 5-minute clean close above 526.21, which is the day's high, then from there, let's move to that 528.32 and see if we can get that take.
Here comes a little push.
528.32. 4-point move.
Here comes a push on Microsoft.
Upside push.
So, yep. So
nice
for options options is a good spot to trim.
This is the target that I said to trim in, the 374.21.
But
guys, I would remove
cross 374.59
52.
and wait for a retracement, and you can go back in.
Yeah, that's going to be your day's high right there, team. Okay, your day high is. Remember, do not wait for the actual target at 374.52. Right here, team. I'd be out. I would be out of the market entirely right now. Destiny, pull out. Oh my goodness.
That's what she said.
Destiny, get out. I don't know if you're hearing me. You got to get out. All right, this is it. This is it. That was take profit. This is take profit.
This is it. Yep.
Guys, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
You see that retracement, guys? That's because we're going to break the high of the.
Yeah, we're knocking at the door. We got to just knock at the door. Destiny, did you get out? I'm going to kick you in the butt. Jennifer saying every day freaking crazy, man. Oh, goodness gracious, man.
All right, so now we wait for break of red or green.
Exactly, man. So, guys, look, we just got 3 solid green trades in. Okay? Damn it. We got to freaking watch out. Do not get over greedy. Personally, 3 green trades for me on a day, that's it. You know? There is opportunity. I'll take that to 6.
You guys are playing crappy options and still making money.
So there's no excuse. Oh my goodness, dude, that's so funny. So guys, please remember these guided plays. I'm not going to continue here on YouTube. I'm going to continue the guided plays. I'm going to continue the guided plays on Discord, right? So just so you can get a quick visibility over what it kind of looks like, right? Let me just go ahead and switch over the screen. I hope I didn't screw up too much, right? But look at Microsoft, guys. Look at that pullback. See, we're just knocking at the door. It's never the first try where you're going to break whatever. Remember when we were talking about NVIDIA breaking above the 520 was not likely? We didn't know that the news was going to release that minute either. Okay, so those are with news events. Sure, that'll beat it. That'll rip it through the all-time high. But without the news, not really likely, right? So guys, YouTube. Oh, okay. Destiny, I was over here worried that you actually took the risk with me. All right, so now that you saw 3 trades in a row that are green, now you know. Now you know that the next one is going to be red. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, for sure.
Right, for real, dude. I don't care if the hit rate is 35 or 40%, man. Your green trades are 35 to 40%. That doesn't mean anything. That means if you're losing 60% of the time, are you losing 60% of the time at minimal loss? And are you winning 40% of the time at maximum win? That's way more than the loss. Okay, you outweigh it. So it's how you play it, team. It's not the ratio, it's how you play it.
Meta's also going for a breakout. We are green now.
Completely red to green. And check out the SPY. Dude, Microsoft really dragging things up alongside NVIDIA. So yeah, here we go, team. We're starting to get that. We're starting to get the break above. But remember, we still want to see the clean close above that 526. Okay, this is going to be the potential candle here for us to get long NVIDIA, because we're starting to get the closures above, or potentially getting the real 5-minute closure above 526.21. Prepare yourselves on NVIDIA. This is potentially the next play here, team. The next area to look at for potential take profit would be 2 zones of exit. You're going to look at 528.32, just under that at 528.22, right? And then let your runners run to see if we can get the hourly time frame Linreg top, which could be all the way up there at 533.82. NVIDIA could make a massive move all the way up there. Remember this, if we get this candle closure above 528.32, that's the next move, okay? So that may actually, because this is getting mad front run here, wait for the pullback, okay? We're going to get a pullback at 528.32. Let's just be, we gotta be patient. Don't FOMO into this, okay? We see the upside. That's just the beginning of the upside. Okay. Hourly time frame, golden cross. Okay. Everything is happening the way it should happen. All right. So be very patient. Do not execute without having an actual thing. So real quick, YouTube. So this is what you're looking at right now. Okay. So this is the trading team that we have. This is the chat here on the right-hand side. And this is these are the members right now inside. Right. So this is the guide. These are the guided plays. There's the pullback that I'm talking about, right? Wait for it. Okay. We gotta get closures. Okay. We have to get a closure, especially above 528.40. That it's already beyond the 526, way beyond it. Okay. So this is what you're looking at, team. You're here with me. You're here with Cryptic. You're here with the team. We're trading every day at 6:30 a.m. even before that. Okay. Let me go back here to the charts and take a look at what's going on. Make sure to hit that link right above Destiny's comment here. I'm gonna go ahead and paste it one more time.
Great.
Here's that link.
NVIDIA
starting to get that
good.
break above 528.40. Ooh, here we go. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Guys, this is going to be a volatile move to the upside. Honestly, I would almost feel like getting minimal entry at this point. I feel like front running it almost.
You guys trading this with options?
Yes.
They're hella expensive.
Super expensive, dude, but I'm doing out of the money ones like 550, 5 that's what I would play, honestly. Do the volatility on those they're on par with 0 DTE SPY. That's how volatile those way out of the money ones are too.
This is looking good though. We need to break this market high. Once we do, we're good.
Yeah, Galvin, take a look at the 550s, 555, 560, January 12th, expiry, long calls. We're waiting for that 528.40 closure of this 5-minute candle here, and that's just going to be the first one, right? So when we get that closure, there could be an immediate pullback to that area that you just saw, or around 527.83, right? If we can get that slight pullback, you're looking at minimal entry on an options play, okay? Here we go. We're starting to get that break. We want to close above that 528.40. We're at 528.60, okay? So at the closure, you're looking at a potential 528.35 now, potential pullback, minimal entry on options. Do not overexpose, okay? And we're talking about simulator trading, paper trades only. 22 seconds left. Where's let's see. Yeah, because guys, are we really? No way. We're beyond the all-time high now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're in price discovery. We are in price discovery. Okay, here's the closure. I would already have some type of minimal entry down here at 528.30 right here. Okay, careful. Minimal entry here. Right? Minimal. What we want to do now is close this 5-minute candle above 528.40. 528.01 potential support alongside your, what is it, the range? What is the range? The post-market high of 527.01. Do not overextend on this volatility. Minimal entry. All right. Not quite the 527.01, but hit 527.66. Okay. The next exposure you want for the options contract is the closure above 528, the 528.40, 528.32. Okay. But your position should be massively in the green now already. Be very careful. Be very, very careful here. We're breaking the prior bar high. All right. 3 minutes and 30 seconds left to close this candle above that pre-market high. This is still looking good. Okay. I just want you to be very, very wary over what can happen here. If you guys, I know that you want to bet harder here. Do not do it. Okay. Don't do it. We want to make sure to get that closure. be very, very patient. Okay, we don't know if this is going to fail and come back down again to 528.32. Okay, we don't know that just yet. We still have 3 minutes. Take a breather, okay? Because this is going to be a very volatile move, and this could be the biggest gainer that we get today. Okay? Careful, careful. Namaste, team, namaste. But you should right now, I don't know, but you should be in the money 15, 17%. Here he goes. Here's that pullback that I spoke of, right? This is what you don't know. This is what you don't know, and this is why you don't want to front run this top. We need this closure now. Okay? We need this following closure. Man, the bulls are trying to take it.
Yeah,
the hourly time
good.
frame. Sorry, critics? Sorry, buddy.
It's looking good, NVIDIA.
Yeah. I feel conviction for that. And this is what I meant. And what I meant
close
earlier.
to being able to add.
I'm sorry. Say again, brother. My apologies. My apologies.
You're pretty close to being able to add.
Yeah, that's my point. Is we need the closure here above the 528.32. We want that closure on this candle. Then we average. 1 minute 56 seconds. I know you want to do it now, team, but wait for the closure. Wait for the closure. Because that's going to be a second consecutive candle closing above pre-market high. Respect the process and respect the closures, okay? We need confirmations here. And you can see that price action is still kind of supporting from that pre-market high. That's what we want. We want to convert the pre-market high into support so that we can rip this thing to the upside. This may be the biggest green play we have. Even down here, even if it's reaching 528.34, you should still be green on your trade. Ooh, man. And this is what I meant earlier, that I think the market was going to shift. I'm not sure of what the SPY is looking like yet. I don't even want to look just yet because of these because of the guided play here. But oh my goodness, man,
the SPY is looking good.
Okay, all right. So we have broader market support. We have index support. Let's see how this is going to shift. But that's about 37 seconds left. We're still holding above pre-market high. And we're getting very close to a potential average, okay? See about this closure in 19 seconds. See about exposure at 528.32 to about 528. I know, and Destiny, I'm having you play the inverse for it. That's why I'm here. I thought, but this is good. This is good. Here's the closure, team. Wait for it. We got a nice close above pre-market high. We could resist one more time at that top side of 529.01. This is looking like a small 5-minute time frame bull flag here. Yeah, wait for the pullback here to 528.30 or 32, right around there. Try to gain exposure right in that area here, right? Almost there, right there, right here. I would start averaging in another bit. And then your second exposure area could be 528. Okay, but this is I'm already risking more at this point because we're getting some closures. Do not over leverage. Do not go in too hard. These are options contracts. They're completely volatile. They're not the same as shares. Destiny, I'm happy that you're at least observing, you know, the type of trader that I've turned into over the last 5 months. All right, here's that exposure, team. We're getting close to that. Man, a lot of people front running the 528. Not sure that it's going to come back too much there. But yeah, this is feeling like a 5-minute bull flag.
Yeah, everything's looking good. It's looking good.
My conviction is still with the Bulls, team.
Let's see.
Bob, did you see my video on GTII last night?
Microsoft's still looking good also.
There it was, team. There it was. I'm picking up some exposure here too. And to tell you the truth, if I have a 100% allowable trading portfolio, I will not trade the 100% of the allowable day trade on options contracts, no matter how good it feels. Do not over leverage. Microsoft is looking okay. Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft is pushing. I think that's going to bring the market up with it too. SPY is looking great, which is this immediate pullback here. Feels like the SPY and Microsoft are just slightly pulling back. I think everything is looking good. Oh, okay. Sorry, Bob. Yeah, I spoke about that. I spoke about the likelihood of finding more downside on GTII today. So I named the video GTII bottoms because I found some other targets, like I think 25 cents. Where is it? Because I said that there could be a bounce from the 25-cent area. Sorry, Cryptic.
10 cents.
Mm-hmm. The 10-cent gap.
All right,
daily.
It needs to turn around right now, or it's gonna come back to the 9.
Yeah, there's a eerie possibility for that, of course. SPY still showing some strength. I know that it's pulling back because of this little bit of SPY weakness here, right? Microsoft is also kind of lingering around this potential top. But NVIDIA in particular has this break into all-time high. I don't think it's done.
No, it's not done. I'm just saying for options.
Oh, right, for options.
Because right now your people are red.
Yeah, that's right. We have position entry. Wait. We entered at the 528.30. What is your is anybody in NVIDIA play? Let me know what your percentage is right now. Are you at a break even or are you red?
I'm following you on that one. I'm -5.
Oh, okay.
Oh, shares and options.
Oh, yeah, okay. So you're getting that the quick gainer. Let's see if we're supporting. I mean honestly, I don't think.
No, it looks good. It looks good.
Right? It's just I don't think I'm bearish. The shift here is incredibly important. Okay, Galvin, down 6 at this point right now. Galvin, you got
right now. You're gonna get a big green soon.
Yeah, especially this.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, I see.
Big green are coming up. Watch.
Looks like a little 5-minute bull flag there.
Let's see, Microsoft. Microsoft's still pushing.
Yeah, Galvin, you're very welcome, buddy. I'm happy that I was able to. Shed some light into the GTII play, and you know what? I'm just using whatever charting techniques I have to share with the microcap communities, right? Because those are difficult.
Here we go.
Breaking 529.01 on a 5-minute time frame, team. That's going to show some huge upside. And like I said, team, this could be your biggest gain for the day on this play. So let's just observe the guidance here, right? And that'll mark off play number 4 in the green today, and then we'll be good. I don't think I would want to continue trading another trade after the 4th green, because
I would leave
right
on NVIDIA. I really think it's going to push to 550, so I would leave a runner or two.
And that runner or two can bring you huge.
Yeah. They'll probably make you more than your first sell.
Exactly.
If it goes.
But
so if you have like 2,
we're in the green,
1.
right?
Yeah, you should be in the green now.
Good.
I'm plus 5%.
DJ has 1 runner right now. Here we go, team. Here we go. That's the break. That's the break of 529.01 is about to break it. It's about to break it. Come on. Go. Get it. The bulls are pushing. There is bull conviction here, and there's bull volume entering the market. There we go. 529.20. We should be massively green in the positions now, team. Get that upside. We remember that top side.
Plus 10 now.
Kill it, team. Kill it. We are looking at a resistance top. First take profit of around 534.15. Move it. Galvin, you should be in the green as well, buddy.
Everybody should be in the green now.
Yep. Now, I'm going to give you another perspective here because there is kind of a formation going on, right? Inverse herpy-derpy here, right? We have potential, shoulder, weird little oblong shoulder. We're at the support of regression from that shoulder, actually. Right about here. Let's get that top side target.
What was your options take profit?
My options take profit is at 534, like 534. I wouldn't go under that. I would take it as I would be out of the market entirely there. But you know, you can keep the runners because there is a lot of bullish.
I'm looking at there's going to be resistance at 535.35.
535.35.
534. 535.35.
Inverse
534.50 sounds good.
Right, and then your inverse head and shoulders is suggesting 536.7. So yeah, guys, you should be incredibly in the green right now. Galvin saying I'm in the green with Tiger Woods. Nice, buddy. All right, you guys. DJ is saying he is up 60% on his position now. Kill it, buddy. You're gonna get a good win here. This is gonna be the biggest gainer. Keep it going, team. Keep it going. We're doing okay. We're doing okay. You can all remember, you don't have to hold anything you don't want, okay? You can remove, you can shave off position, it doesn't matter. But it's looking green, it's looking good. You know, we can always pull back here to the area of around 529.13. It's fine. You don't gotta do anything. You can always just remove risk. But I honestly see more upside, right? But you don't have to play it along the way that I do either. Okay? But I know what I do know is that you should be massively in the green right now. Let's take a look at the 5-minute time frame volatility. Yep. Look at the RSI in the 5-minute, completely pivoted towards the upside, approaching the gravitational zone. Whoa. And we're still expanding. Right? So this is not done. In my opinion, it's not done. We still got some upside to go. Yeah. Yeah, Destiny. Is that the first one you want to attack?
Nice. That runner DJ might get to 200%, man.
Yeah, seriously. You're about to validate the 529.03, which was another area where I would honestly long again. So Galvin, meaning that you take the majority profit and leave one, like if you have 10 options contracts, you'll take 8 out of the pool and leave 2 in for runners, or leave 1 in as a runner. So let the price run as far as it will to the upside. So I think that it's safe to say that the last 2 red plays that we've had have now completely been wiped out by 4 green. Oh my goodness. So the validation of 529.03, that's what I think it is doing. What do you think, brother?
Yep.
Destiny, yeah. Destiny, I don't want you to feel like I'm ignoring you. Yes. We'll take a look. We'll start playing BLNK first, and we'll see what's up with that one.
35. And we're looking good.
But I also want you to consider playing with me here, okay?
You wanted to play with you?
Dude, that's so terrible because she's a really, really pretty girl. No, I didn't mean that, Destiny. Relax. I meant I want you to trade. Jesus Christ. I want you to trade with me. What option strikes are you getting? Dude, you're such an ass.
Play with me too, Destiny.
Destiny, I did not mean that. I meant for you to trade with me, God. Billy, what option strikes are you getting expiry this week? Yeah, January 12th. Long calls, right? So this is actually an area where I would average up. Don't laugh at me in the freaking thing. I want her to play the stocks in play with me. You know what I mean?
Sure.
God damn it.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I want you to play my ding-a-ling. Just kidding.
Was that reminded me of that one song? It's
that was The Simpsons.
Well, what?
It's from The Simpsons. Play with my ding-a-ling.
Oh my goodness, dude. Distasteful bastards.
Destiny, I'm playing.
Yeah, Destiny's also a master student. Track 2, I think.
I don't even know who Destiny is. So whatever.
Destiny is Wonder Woman.
I'm sure she's cool.
Yeah, hell yeah. She's good, dude. She's
all right.
she's
Come on.
awesome.
Here
She's
comes
a good person.
another big green. Come on. This one
All right.
should push everybody up.
DJ, don't let the freaking thing go. I never said to sell.
Dude, keep that runner, dude. Your runner, just keep it.
I'm telling you, don't let it go. There's a reason why I told you I averaged up. All right, good. Oh my goodness, dude. Tesla getting a little move down. Dude, hell yeah, man. It looks like my thesis. That dude, this is Cryptic. This is one of the audition pieces here for the hedge position.
Oh, the Tesla play?
Yeah. Not a daily play. Like I already nailed the daily target. It's actually the swing target.
Dude, that's my play.
Get the
bastard. You get credit for my play? Hey, hedge fund, that was mine. It wasn't his. He just did the back test. I got the play.
So anyway, dude, you're getting a break of the prior bar high.
Freaking hedge fund gonna give you $1 million for my play.
That's why I'm bringing you with me. So I gotta do that to 10 other stocks too. Oh man, bro, that means back test, dude. That back test took me 2.5 hours.
NVIDIA one, and you'd be hired right now,
dude. That it's like, dude, what do you mean? I just made you 15% on Tesla. On Tesla on a short. That's a margin play. Like you, dude. So I got to do 10 plays like that, dude. But that was a 2.5 hour back test for Tesla. That sucked a lot. All because I got to audition. I can't even trade it, bro. I literally can't trade the play. Oh my goodness, dude. But it's all good. It's so good. And yeah, guys, remember that the inverse head and shoulder target, yeah, it's leading to a 536. But I honestly would take profits around 535, 535, 40, 50, around there-ish. You know what I mean? Keep your discretion in line. Keep your risk in mind, okay? And never risk what you are willing to lose. But
Hey, do we have time? Can I play something real quick?
Danielle, all the freaking time. Kill it. Let me dip down on this. Oh, wait. Hold on. Before you do it, hold on.
Oh, hold on.
I do my time all the time.
Hold on, guys.
Okay. Oh, boom. Here we go. Boom. Nice. Boom.
Boom candle.
530. Boom. Honestly, I would take a little bit off here. It's a nice candle.
You can take a little bit off here, team.
Take a little bit off here.
Danielle, you kill it. Let me know when you're going to do it so I can mute my mic and not get demonetized. All right.
Not the runner, though. DJ, keep yours.
DJ, keep the runner.
Keep the runner, dude.
Are you guys ready?
Okay, hit it.
Okay, here we go.
I don't hear it. DJ is up 78% and holding.
Did you hear it?
Oh my goodness.
There.
Daniel, I don't hear nothing.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure if you were ready. Hold on. Here we go.
I'm sure you're back at 78 now. Kill it.
Will not sing. You must be playing with your own.
What did it say? Damn it, I missed it. Oh my God, DJ. Dude. DJ's gotta be up like 100% on his play now. 96% up.
Damn.
Look.
Dude, I'm
Look what he's saying
awesome.
here. He's saying he's 96. He's literally counting them up.
Hold it, man. Hold it.
Hold it.
That's awesome. Okay, are you? I thought I was off mute. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, here.
Daniel, I love it.
Oh, that song was a killer.
I love it.
It's about his grandma
So-
gave him some Christmas bells, and so he wanted to play with his own ding-a-ling.
Oh my
My
goodness.
ding-a-ling.
It's like from the late '60s, Chuck Berry. It's a really cute song.
Dude, did you see you inspired that? Where are you, DJ? Where are you? Let's see what he says. Where are you, bro? It's still climbing.
Huddle this.
He's at 96%. Diamond
Auto.
hands, bro. Oh, dude. He's like, I'm gonna hold to 100 no matter what. Dude, he's at 100. He's at 100. What? DJ is at 100% gain right now. Oh my God, bro.
Nice.
Man, dude, these are 4 solid freaking green plays today, team. Come on. Come on, man. Where else are you going to get this, man? Where? Right there at that link in the chat. Hit it. Right? Dude. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I wouldn't even get too greedy at this point. I'd just pull out myself, right? Even though I told you 530 freaking 5.
No, you guys got to take some profit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, team. Shave off a bit here, team. Because, we're just joking around
Shit
at some
happens.
point. We're just joking around to a certain point. But for real, take profit here at 100%. Because DJ's probably at 110 now.
Yeah.
DJ, where
No,
you
no.
at? Where you at?
DJ can keep holding. He only has one. Keep holding, dude.
DJ, he's at 103.
It's only one. But if you have like 10, take profit.
He's at 103% up and climbing, bro. 106. Let's go. Oh
I'm
my
up
God,
$1,000
dude.
right now on my freaking options.
Dude, where are you out on all of them?
No.
You're still
But
in, right?
Yeah, I have $10,000 unrealized right now.
Oh, dude. So guess what? My dash trader is not working, and I'm not trading one of these trades.
Puto.
I'm not even joking. I need to restart my computer or something, but I said this one's going to be on me for the freaking team. I guess. Oh my God, dude. I didn't play one single play today. Gah.
Damn.
Dude, I know. Like, I couldn't even get my $100 gainer today. Oh my goodness. 112. DJ, bro.
My ding-a-ling, my ding-a-ling.
Dude, I know that the team must have been like at one point, Arca, I know that you said long here, but it's getting really scary. And I'm like, guys, relax. It's getting really scary down here. I know this is scary, bro. But that's why
Y'all
I'll take you
good.
on big boy plays.
Stop being wusses.
Don't be a wuss.
Dude, I just added.
Dude, I literally just average in more.
I did. More.
Bro, that's why, guys, when I told you I'm averaging in right over here, I freaking meant it. All right. Right there, 527.68. That's me averaging in mentally. Okay. Because obviously my stupid DAS doesn't work, but that's my average in. Okay. 118% DJ is up, bro. Dude. 125, guys. Look at him count. Look at him count. Look at the chat
DJ,
down here.
can I get to 200?
128%. Look at DJ rise on the prize here, man. Dude, tell me you're not at 150 now. Tell me you're not at 150.
DJ already screaming our buddy.
131% up, team. He is going. Let's go, dude.
Woo-wee.
137. Bro. 140. Guys, I would honestly start taking profit completely here. I will be out of the market at the hourly linear regression. I am out. 146% DJ. Dude. Guys, look at Microsoft too. Every single play we spoke of is in the massive green today. 153. Dude, you are out of control. You are in the freaking money. I don't even know what to tell you guys. But what I am going to do is post a stupid link on Discord again for you to join in on the trades. Guys, I'm not going to lie. This is my take profit here. I would be entirely out of the market at this point. So Sway is saying, I'm out of NVDA, just covered nearly my entire GTI loss for today. I'm so stoked. Thanks. My dude, you are very welcome for that, dude. Come on, man. I really say that we can create our own squeezes here, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man.
Dude, I'm up 20,000 right now.
Dude,
So,
you're out 20,000 gain?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's stop winners.
Guys, yeah, I guess you can leave the runners in there, but my play team, I'm over here. I'm done, okay? I'm done right there. So, DJ, let me know what you're thinking, bro.
You know I came in here like the grand down.
You might have come in here a few $1,000s down, but now you're a few 100,000 up, you know? DJ, where are you at this take profit?
If we take this seriously instead of bullshitting, we probably get $100,000 accounts in like 2 months.
Dude,
Dude,
DJ is in and he's at 159, 165. Bro!
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh my goodness, dude! What? Bro, this is the first red candle. Get the fuck out! Dude! Oh my goodness, bro! DJ, is this bigger? Is this a bigger gain than your actual play, the one holder?
You know our buddy called for NVIDIA puts, right?
No, he didn't. Dude, sold! Sold! Look at it, guys. Take a look. DJ just sold at 175% gain.
No! You could have made it to 200.
Let's go! Bro, hell yes. Let's do it. Guys, come on, man. That is 4 green trades in a row for the Arca Bulls trading team, and DJ just got and banked on 175% gainer today. Damn. Dude, this was exciting. Bro, this was so exciting. Oh my goodness. He was trying cryptic. He said, I was trying cryptic, but I couldn't hold any longer. That was intense. Guys.
Okay, it's options.
Dude, come on, man. Cryptic trader. Dude, we just saw that happen, dude. Oh my goodness. Double X, what is up, baby?
Somebody like DJ to make bank. We need to raise your fees.
Oh my goodness, dude. And DJ was thinking to himself, like, bro, damn it, why did I just spend $9.99 on this Discord? I'm gonna lose more money. And then you just made right now the whole year.
Okay, guys, the price is going up. It's gonna go to $20. 9 for Arca, 9 for me, and 2 for DJ.
2 for YouTube. Oh my goodness, dude. Check it out, team. Danielle is saying now in the Discord, 3 green trades for me. I'm up $630 for the day. Wish I could have taken this trade, but I'm out of cash for the day. I feel that no settled cash, definitely no trade. I get you. So, team, look at that perfect linear regression top right at the freaking penny, right? So, congratulations, Arca Bulls team. I personally have just guided 4 green trades on the day. I don't want any more, right? So, I also didn't trade a single one, but I am happy that you did, right? This was not the day for Dash Trader to fail the boy, right? So,
Dude, what?
dude.
Dash Trader failed.
Galvin just came in here and said I made $200. Thank you, my bro. I am so
Nice.
happy that you got it, dude. Nice.
Everybody should be banking today.
Huh?
Everybody should have banked today,
Yeah, everybody should have banked today, except for you know who.
except for some dumbass that doesn't know how to use Dash Trader.
Dude, Ian, what the hell?
Dude, I hope you didn't. Are you following our buddy?
Ian, what happened?
Because I was just never patient enough. This is DJ, by the way.
Oh, dude. I know. Remember, dude, this is actually something that me. Okay, it was a small loss. At least that. So no, what I was gonna say, DJ, is that me and Cryptic actually had a conversation about that because my weakness here is that I take in my strategy, I personally take several entries. I can't guide unless it's my way, right? So I take several entries and I take 1 exit or 2. That's my max exit. You know, and Cryptic Trader has quite the inverse. This guy has excellent entry and exits a bunch of times. So we are helping each other out to like, for example, my entries would often reflect a little more aggressive than him, but he actually has the clarity over where to officially enter, right? But then I have the true exit. So then I will help him hold longer, and I will personally learn from him to trade or enter at the right time, not early or late, right? So it is a complementary relationship that we have between each other.
Yeah, you notice we do this. You notice how I'm calling the entries,
Yeah,
and he's calling the exits. Right? Even right now, we're doing it naturally.
yeah.
Yeah, no,
He
y'all,
said-
y'all both work together like perfectly. Like just listening to both of y'all, because even though y'all both have different techniques, it's like you can pick the perfect entry and then Arca saying the exits, and yeah, because I'm the type where I'm like, oh shoot, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Even though I just got this runner left, I'm like, oh, gotta hold it till 200%. No, 175, I'm out.
Oh man, I know that, dude, and I know that feeling. I really do, man. And I think, and dude. Honestly, that's why you pair yourself with other traders that you find, dude. Cryptic and I are very different in our trade, but we end up similar targets. You know, like whether it's the entry or the exit, we still end up at similar targets.
Exactly.
So, I mean, I think if we
It's
can,
crazy how like the pivots match the top of a trend, top of a wedge, or how the linear regression matches the EMA I'm looking at. We're pretty much always in sync.
yeah,
And that's what trading is. Trading is basically, there's only a couple ways to trade, and it's just how you see it. But trading is similar. So once you get one style down, you don't have to pick another one because it's going to be similar to somebody else's style. They're just trading it different, so you don't have to adjust to each other. I don't know if you like somebody teaches you to trade and then they say no, trade like this. You're wrong. You're not, because all trading matches up in the end.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Ian is saying I still learned from today. Always learning from Arca and Cryptic, dude. That's the important thing too, man. That we're able to at least take, you know, the positive side or the learning experience from the situation, because dude, this was a very these plays, I gotta tell you, you know, we gained entry our second entry was down here at around 522, right? That was not the most obvious entry. I will tell you that was scary. I don't know that it's gonna reverse, but I'm seeing that the trend could potentially start creating a new shift. So the probabilities of the shift to the upside are what I'm banking on. And also, I am banking on the $2 trillion assets outperforming the $800 billion asset that's leading the downside, Tesla. So my bet was that the $2 trillion assets were going to outperform completely the one showing the red. So the one showing the red was going to play its own play, and then we were going to be able to guide ourselves with a new play. So while it was very break even and tie-ish, I still had conviction for the bulls. So how can you time your entry? How can you time your exit? With exposure, brother. I think it's the more you observe the plays, the more you practice the plays, and the more you chart, the more all of that, the better you'll be.
It's price action. Learning to read price action.
Raw price action.
Basically.
That's your leading indicator.
Like pros don't even use EMAs or nothing. It's just price action and resistance or pivots. That's it. like the LRC.
Look at Microsoft. Look at my screen. Boy. Oh, dude. Damn. Double X, what's up, man? What did you say? What's up, Arca baby? Hope the fam and Lil Man are well. Ham getting lambasted on Williams live over finger and GTI. Somebody told me that there is serious pressure to the downside on
How's
GTI.
ZABDC doing?
What, dude?
How's ZABDC doing?
Dude, what ticker is it for real again? It was a X.
I don't remember. It's Z something
ZYXL or no? Y. Guys, let me know in the chat. What is it?
Come on,
chat. Let me know what that ticker is.
It's the play all people would be in if you weren't here.
Yeah, no trading while you're sick, man.
No, don't trade while you're sick.
Dude,
don't trade if you haven't slept. Don't trade if you're off.
Can't do that.
Never.
Man. If you had a little spat with your wife or your partner the night before, no trading. Dentist appointment. See you all in the morning. I'll see you, DJ. Let's kill it again tomorrow, buddy. Be safe and drive safe. It was good to see you again, dude.
Boom, 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 boom.
But what? Oh no, Ian said he had all of those, dude. No wonder, bro. You have to take your psychology very seriously, bro. Very seriously.
No. You could be a really good trader and having a bad day, and you like I've lost a shitload of I tried trading when I had COVID. Yeah, let's just say I wasn't winning 20 grand. I was losing 20 grand.
Dude. Let's just say
I was trading like our buddy.
Oh no, don't trade like the buddy. All right, so I'm sorry. What was I gonna say, guys? X is it XJYZ? Is it that?
ZJYL. There it is.
ZJYL. ZJYL. Dude, no.
How we doing? It's at 91.
It's at 94.99, and it's actually converting the hourly SMA 5 into a resistance. And you just, dude, let me see.
It's looking bullish. Wait, look at the volume. The volume is 15,332.
Dude, today? No, that was yesterday. Hold on, let me see the 10-minute or the 30-minute. Oh my God! Look at the 30-minute SMA 50 and the 200. Look at them. Death cross. Ian, and I love being here with you, buddy.
But HKD.
Dude, but HKD.
HKD.
It was because HKD, you know, dude.
But HKD, man, HKD.
So what are the conditions for this? Like, what is it looking for?
It's looking for Ham to push it up with his wind, the power of his wind.
You think so? Like, or is there actually like some type of catalyst being Oh,
It's
dude,
one of those squeeze plays,
look at this,
insider.
Look at this, bro. Look at this. I think it was the 8 hour. Was it the 8 hour? Yeah, it was the 8 hour, dude. No, let me see. I'm gonna pull it up to you right now. You're gonna trip. I gotta see which one it was. 3 hours.
So I'm shooting for 542 on Nvidia. Let's see.
542. Here it is.
But only runners.
Dude, here it is. Look. Look at, dude, there's no way no one paid attention to me with this. I called the top here. This was the daily bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing. The daily hidden bearish diversions or regular bearish diversions in this place. I literally called it right here. As soon as this day ends, if it pivots, it's over. This fucking price action going higher, and we have momentum making lower highs, higher highs, lower highs on momentum against price action. No good, and has a huge hit rate, very big hit rate. You play your divergences, and it also had a divergence with volume. Let me see if I can see it. See the declining volume here with inclining price, dude. All the signals were there. And I said it to the team live. I said, do not trade ZJYL. We're about to validate here hidden or regular bearish divergence with volume bearish divergence as well. This was a dangerous play.
But it's a squeeze play, man.
But HKD though, bro.
It's squeeze, to the moon.
Dude, also, is this like a, hold on. Oh no. Dude, I hope that I am not seeing what I am seeing here. Holy God. I literally said this would drop to 97.96 from all the way up here. From 212. Damn. Okay.
If we didn't have a massive spread, we could have shorted it, but I ain't gonna short something with a 20-point spread.
It's also hard to borrow. I'm pretty sure it is. Is it actually?
Let me see. Yes, it's on SSR. It's not HTB. It's not hard to borrow though.
It's on short sale restricting. Oh, dude, that's just take profit. It's not shorting. Yep. People are just getting out of the market here because they've ridden it from 4 to 90. So head and shoulders, dude. Bro. Let's see. This is gonna fall further. Holy crap. $29, guys. Don't tell, you heard it here first. $29.34. $29.64. Dude. And what is that? Oh, no way. Look what it is, dude. That's the gap here. $30.50 or whatever. Let me see. $30.58. And this thing is leading right there, dude, to the gap. Oh, man. I literally don't know what to say, dude. I don't. If I put this out, I'm a shill. And I am Inverts Kramer, and I own Virtue.
You should put this out, though, because there's people that have a shitload of money on this. And they're... Yeah.
It's supporting from the stupid gap on the 3 hour back here, bro. Look at this. That is not meant to hold. That was meant to support and continue. But that is not a hold. And also, this was inflection right here, 109.10. The break of the 109.10, dude, that's not good. And holy crap, dude. Yeah, this is not funny. This is really not funny. KD is saying that Finger has earnings next week. Expectation is they will report first profitable quarter. So we did a quick back test on earnings for FNGR, and it looks like around 80 to 90% of the earnings that it's ever reported in its entire trading history have been red. Like have been after the earnings report. I think literally like 2 to 4 earnings reports out of the entire existence of FNGR have ever been green. So the statistics here, so these statistics here, earnings beat or miss are greater and leading towards a red. I'm not going to speak of that in a video because I feel like I don't want to entice anything about it. But here we're live. You know, there's 30 people in YouTube. There's also the users here in Discord or whatever. But there is a serious risk for a potential downside on earnings for FNGR. And that being said, the breaking of the inflection point of 385, I spoke of that. Breaking 385 is no good. That would lead price into a potential, I mean, dare I say, dude, the bottom support is around 246 for that. So I need you to be very careful, brother. And so Danielle saying, hey guys, thank you so much. Fantastic day. I'm out. Have a great day, everyone. I'll make sure to kiss the babe. Thank you, Danielle. Be safe, be well. Congratulations today. Oh, sorry, JD Nettles, but buddy. Good morning, team. First day after first class. House flooded last night in Central Alabama, and I'm packing stuff out, thinking about the class. DJ, I need to borrow some money for a new floor. Dude, oh man, JD Nettles, I'm so sorry, buddy. I didn't see the damn thing until now. Goodness gracious, man. I wonder if he already signed out. Dude, he said his house flooded, and he's packing up his stuff, thinking about the class last night. You know, what a real dude. He's so real. Oh, Jonna, you asked me for. I'm so sorry. Let me do that for you real quick. It's not going to take long to do that because it's it's quite. I don't want to say easy, but it's just very is like an open book. So oh nice. What the hell? This is whoa. I thought it was down. Not bad. It is up 21% on the day. Wow. Okay, so yeah, the closure that we would honestly need here, I don't see it as likely anymore, but it would be great if the asset can close above 74.98. It's at 71.50. So if there is a potential closure to consider here, it would be that. But what I will say is that even in the shorter time frames, you're getting the potential of closing this 4-hour candle here. I know that it just kind of started, but that would be the second candle to close above the SMA 200 on a medium term, right? So 6-hour time frame, you have above the SMA 200 as well. 8-hour time frame resisted from that SMA 200, and it looks like you could potentially get that break to the upside soon. And that 8-hour candle, it hasn't returned anything from which it has lost. In fact, until just now, right? So, damn. So anyway, let's look at this support, right? Did you see it, bro? That's algorithmic.
Yeah.
That was a complete computer. So there could be a validation here to the SMA 50 on the 5. It's okay. even if it gets down to 6509, I believe that this has shifted. So take a look at your 8-hour volume here, right? Massive spike up in volume. And also your 5-minute time frame, you're starting to get volume to peak above your moving average. So that's already looking pretty good. I think that Viri may have some more upside to continue here. Let's look at stochastic momentum. This is a whole statistical setup, by the way. You have the break above critical contraction with an upside pivot on both. This is what I'm looking like. This is what I'm looking for from Tesla. I need expansion beyond 15%, stochastic momentum, upside pivot, or downside, actually, downside. That's all I'm waiting for. This right here in volatility. Right? So this is a whole setup here in the 8-hour time frame, and it likely has more upside to go. So this took a while to set up, by the way. This took days and days to set up this upside. But it's there. And it's just, and I don't think, actually, let me see. Do I have an 8-hour backtest? That would be awesome. Viri with an 8-hour. I have a 5-day exponential. Bi-daily contraction to expansion upside. Damn, I don't. Okay, so I don't have an 8-hour setup for this, but it's okay. I'm really more curious over how this thing is just ripping the way that it is. Let me go back to it real quick. Yeah, this thing probably has a massive statistical upside right now, dude. Like big time upside. Hourly time frame getting that close is about to get another close above the SMA 5 here. This is a complete shift in trend. What I wouldn't like to see is actually upper time frame closures. Actually the 3-hour time frame may be like a shooting star here, although I don't believe it's going to end like that. I think there's still more upside to go. There's still overextension happening in the 3-hour. I think there's going to be a pullback here today already happening, right? But there could be a continuation to the upside leading into tomorrow, potentially the next day. As you are about to start shifting momentum, let me see the momentum shift. Bi-hourly time frame has a downside. 3-hour downside. Okay, 4 hours starting to correct. 6-hour upside. Yeah. I think the shorter time frames, that's why you're getting the pullback here. We're going to start seeing an upside here in the next day to 2 days. And your upside target, again, it's going to be resisting and combating the 8-hour SMA 200 above 79.18. We need to combat that. Close above that for an upside continuation. If you do get an upside continuation beyond that SMA 200 on the 8-hour, that would be grounds to have resistance at 90 from 78 to around, I would say literally 90 cents. And followed by the next resistance top at about 104. So this thing is kind of giving us a hint that it may want to break the dollar mark. John, are you there? Did you hear me? And I know you're working, you don't have to answer, but I hope you did. I forgot. But yeah, looking very good. Looking very good. As soon as you're in the money, though, please consider getting the hell out of the market, right? And let's trade real plays. Let's trade some plays where we could really gain some nice things here, right? So as you can see, we can guide it a little better. I think the microcaps, they're good, they gain, but they're a little more uncertain than they are the plays that we're playing daily, right? These are dangerous. GTI down to 23 when it hits into 13 cents. I think I'll load the boat and run it up. So definitely load the boat, right? But I would do something that you're willing to lose, like runners type of entry. Let it just go, right? And I will say that there's a gap just below the 10-cent area. There's one between 8 and 9 cents too, daily gap. So that's also a possibility. So make sure to keep that in mind, because we don't want to, we don't want to risk something and then just lose the whole position here, right? So it looks like Boeing is facing. This looks like a wedge to me, dude. It looks like it's gonna fail. I don't really know what I'm feeling about this, but yeah, Ian, I agree, brother. Keep an eye on it, and at any moment, if you do need any assistance, let me know, bro. Look at that, dude. Look at that, Cryptic. Daily SMA 50 resistance. This is probably gonna start failing soon, dude. Like, why would this go up? There's no reason for it to go up.
Going trade's weird though. That's the one thing about it.
It is, and it's really volatile. I think sentiment has taken over. It's psychology. But look at this structure, though. It's now creating lower lows. It actually beat prior day lows now, and then also pre-market prior day lows. Holy crap! I don't. I have to agree. This is a really uncertain trade unless you're trading the daily or the upper time frames as a swing. But because there's so much psychology in play, it could turn around from you. Guys, I got to tell you, this was an amazing, amazing day for trading. I'm very happy. I'm very happy that we were able to nail all those green plays today, team.
We might be able to catch a short on NVIDIA soon, but it's got to hit the 540. And tomorrow, I mean.
NVIDIA?
Yeah.
It literally oh, right. So 5
Well, the options flow, it's taking it to 540. My top of my linear regression is 542, so that's my number is 540. Where I think it's going to go.
And then look at this, dude. So we talked about, Cryptic and I talked about he said a 535.50 target. I was talking about a 536.10 or 536.07.
Boom.
And price action led to a top side of 535.79.
I win.
So you can see, team. You can see like that we're, it's similar targets, like I said before. Like we're looking at the similar targets. And then it doesn't mean that we take the trade to that target. We take it to a discretionary level and we pull when we see weakness, and that's it.
It's not going to go up to the top. So you take it like 50 cents below or at the dollar mark below.
Yeah. Green Mountain is saying, hey, Arca, ARDX is hitting or tapping the 884 upside target that you mentioned yesterday. Nice, dude. Nice. It played out well. ARDX, let me see what it did. I don't even remember, to be honest with you. Oh, there it is. Right. So the resistance zones that we were observing here, we definitely got this one too. Retracement right from the 825, right? We supported back down to the 806 and now continued on to the range that we were speaking of too, 884 to 928. And it looks like it actually still has maybe more juice to get there. But I would eyeball your 6-hour time frame RSI. It's completely cooked, right? And historically speaking, it looks like it has retraced from that top side too. So if you're in the green, I would consider starting to remove risk, as you are getting a bearish divergence on volume on the 8-hour too. Okay, so I would exit the market on this simulator trade, buddy. And yeah, man. So we let a green trade on that one too. It was great. I think you had a great call on this. And congratulations, much deserved to you, brother. What time is it? Is it lunchtime already? Yeah, we're in the middle of lunch.
We're in lunch, yeah.
No wonder the consolidation and all the what's it called?
I'm still expecting one more push up.
Yeah, I think so.
But I'm not banking on it.
I'm if I was trading personally, I would completely be cash now. I don't think I would enter for another trade unless there was a really obvious setup, but I'm, man.
I still have runners.
You still do?
Yeah.
Shares, though.
I'm keeping it. Huh? Shares, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, shares. Not options. Hell no.
I'm like, bro, you're losing Vega.
When I have runners right now. of options. Silly.
Options, dude. DJ, wow. Dude, this guy
DJ could have had his 200. He was out.
I think maybe it was volatility was already contracting. And I don't know if the Vega would have played against his price action even if it was going up. He might have, though. That would have been amazing, dude, to see 200. But I think he said, yeah, that the one runner was bigger than his actual play.
That's how it always works.
Right? Just in case.
Yeah.
But inversely, your one runner could also be your max loss.
No, but that's why you have a freaking stop loss for your runner should always end at break even.
Right?
Yep. Like mine, I have runners, but I mean it's at break even, so all I'm gonna lose is my unrealized, which is not much.
Oh, dude, and yeah, a lot of people think a lot of people don't think on that stop loss on the runner, but dude, that could really mess you up.
Yeah.
It's especially
That-
if it's an option, you know. Oh, dude, Netflix on the hourly. That's
You wanna keep your locked in profit locked in. That's why you put a break even on your runners. Always.
Dude, that function is so amazing in DAS. Like I never used it until just recently. So amazing.
Yeah. Every time I take a profit, break even.
And you don't even know. You just go to the next trade and go trade something else.
Yeah, I ignore it. At that point I let it go.
So cool.
I don't even care until I hear and I'll see if it's hit the profit or hit my stop.
Mm-hmm. You have sound. Dash Trader has sounds?
Yeah.
I'm going to enable them because I haven't heard them.
It's
Oh. Yeah, I'm going to look into settings again and see if I can get those sounds. Can you change that sound to whatever you want, or is it just stock sounds?
it's just default.
Okay.
I mean, come on, it's Windows 95.
For real, dude. It's Windows Flintstones. So do you remember Flintstones being Flynn or Flint? Flint. Some of that Mandela effect crap.
I don't know.
Like, do you remember the Monopoly guy having a monocle in his eye or no?
Well, you cut out what? Had what?
The Monopoly guy, you know, the Monopoly game?
Yeah.
The little character in the little character in the picture. Do you remember him having that glass in his eye, the monocle, like the little glass?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
He doesn't.
Is he still a man?
The response was, "Is he still a man?" Dude.
We're in new days, bro. We're in new days.
So he did. So the Monopoly guy is still a man, but he does not have the monocle. Do you remember? You remembered it with a monocle, dude. I remembered it with a
I
monocle,
remember with monocle. Yeah.
but it freaking doesn't. Is that a lie?
Nobody
YouTube
knows
chat.
what a monocle is anymore.
Yeah, what YouTube chat? Do you remember that? Does the Monopoly guy have a monocle or no?
Yeah.
What the heck is going on here? So apparently this is the homeboy here. Right?
Yeah. No, he had a monocle before. There he is. See?
This one here, that's what they're saying. That's the Mandela effect, see? They're saying that's Mandela. Like he actually doesn't. I feel like that's a whole ass lie.
Yeah. They're trying to change history, man.
They're trying to short sell it, bro.
Yeah.
Naked shorts.
Next thing you know, he's gonna be like a Mexican lesbian.
Mexican lesbian. Oh, dude.
And he's gonna run for VP.
Who can't swim. Right? And doesn't speak that well Spanish.
Yep.
Oh man, the odds are stacking against you there, buddy. Oh man, dude. Oh crap. Team, hold on just a sec. Little lady. Just a moment.
Capitulation.
All right, team. I am back in the building. Oh my goodness. Netflix feels like it's really going to break above that SMA 200 here, man. On the hourly time frame, this thing is setting up something. What time is it? It's 9:43 right now. There's still time. Oh man.
Nvidia is going to 540. It's going for a 540. You see that little?
Hell no, I won.
No. Remember, I'm calling 540. My LRC is 542.
It's 542. What
Yeah.
what the hell was the geometric? Did I have even a geometric topside? I don't think I did. I think that was it, the 536.10 or 07 or whatever. Dude, so 540. Holy crap. Let me see if
Well, actually, it says 542, but I'm
you're going to average it down a little bit.
going
just in case.
conservative. Yeah.
So if we take a retracement on a fib, you have a 540.13 at the 2.618. So your guess is literally the 618. You see how humans behave around that? That's crazy, man. And
that's what yeah.
And then look at that. 372 has 546.11. Dude, I don't know. I mean, you said 550. 3.618 is 549.32. So.
Well, 550 is the call options. Low.
Oh.
But psychologically, 540 is going to be a big number.
Yeah, dude. Psychologically, for freaking sure. At even the 2.618 there. Agreed.
So we might have a 10-point move tomorrow on this again. Before it crashes.
Charlie.
Maybe.
Dude, that's huge, man. That is that is a huge ass move. Huge ass.
Huge.
It's like what about Tesla? Dude, Tesla playing the play, man. Tesla is playing the play.
You know, when 45 comes back, this is going to be every day bull market like this.
Yeah, literally, dude. We're gonna be banking. This was my the short-term play played out, right? We hit the target right there. I went 232.04. My target was set to 232.20, right? So, and it was a short term, right? From the entries here to I mean, short term is relative, dude. I know, dude, I'm talking about that was an 8-point move. Not bad, you know. So, but it did take like a day or two to get down to there. But that decline was overall like a 5% gain, right? But it's not the 5%. It's actually the point value here. It was it was $8. You know, it's huge.
What's that?
The People's J is saying that the Tesla 3-hour closure is looking nice. 3-hour closure? Closing beneath prior bar low? 100% agreed.
Our ATR right now for NVIDIA is 17.
Dude.
And the ATR for the ABDC FYG is like 20. And
$20?
Like, yeah. So
not going to move $20.
if those people were smart, they would have just traded in NVIDIA.
Yeah. What the hell? Like we did.
We did.
Dude, 530s.
Go 537.
Here you go, dude. You got that, dude. You got that 540 up there, buddy. I think that 2618 also, if not just short from it, which could land right at the 540 level. Look at this. Look at these. These are.
I'm only running 50 shares now, so it's whatever.
Oh, dude, but I mean, but still, what the hell, dude. These are
just runners.
Dude, bro, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8 green candles in a row. What? 4-hour ones, dude. Wow. This is crazy, dude. This is massive upside. But dude, as far as Tesla, who was that? Pedro and the People's J. What I'm looking for here is the closure of the bi-daily iteration. We're closing in 3 hours. And in 3 hours, remember what I was talking about in the video, right? We still want to see volatility expand here. We want to see it beyond the 15th percentile with an expansion, right? Upside pivot. As soon as we get that, the statistical back test that I ran on this would be immediately in effect, right? These targets here. So that's an average. The average downside move is almost 15%, which equals a 30 to 40%, 30 to 40 point move. So the day trade that was set earlier, dude, that was an 8-point move, but that's not even the one that I'm really looking for. I'm actually looking for a huge correction for Tesla. And while it's still gonna mark off a potential higher low, it's gonna be a macro higher low though. Okay, so that's really what I'm kind of calling here. It's a macro bottom before a continuation. It looks tough, man. It looks tough, but I do have conviction over the play. It has high probabilities. As soon as we get that closure today, we're not going to see what the volatility component and the moving average look like until, unfortunately, tomorrow. Right? So at market open, but you know that this is the way things work. They have to play out. I mean, you have conditions and you have a criteria and a process, you know, so based on the back test that I did, is very strict. It's very strict in the condition that I am testing the break of the 15th percentile with expansion and an upside pivot, you know, so very strict that it has an upside pivot. So, and that's going to be the major move. But as far as the short-term time frame, that's why I put together the shorter play too, right? Just to show you that there is immediate downside, but this downside is required in order to meet the statistical move. The downside presents higher volatility naturally. So if I can get that downside, man, then, you know, to hell with it. We're good. We'll see tomorrow, though. We'll see how it reacts into tomorrow. But Tesla completely separate from the markets here, man. It completely separated and entirely inverse. The SPY is actually this is not that bullish for the SPY though, dude. Look at that. Open. Man, this is the hourly time frame. 10 minutes. That's gonna be they're good. I don't know if there's gonna be a downside here because SPY is at the top of the Lin Reg on the hourly.
I still got a buck more on mine.
On your SPY?
On my SPY Lin Reg.
My resistance is at 474.49.
I have one at 475.21.
475.21.
Yeah.
475. That is significantly higher. What the hell is up there?
Yeah, I'm telling you, the Lin Regs don't match quite perfectly.
Can you do me a favor, dude? Can you measure the total tops, but make sure to measure like this, like so that it has on DAS. I don't know if there's a measure tool, right? So actually let me do it long actually. So from the bottom up.
It's Thinkorswim.
Okay, so do you have a measuring tool like this?
I'm looking. I've never used it. It probably is.
The SPY, honestly, the SPY is building a 5-minute ascending triangle. Technically, that's hella bullish, dude. But it's also at the Lin Reg top.
Yeah.
NVIDIA still
it's
going
not
up?
my Lin.
Say again? You don't have one, dude?
And I'm looking. I don't use any of those tools in Thinkorswim.
Oh. But I thought your TD was the Lin Reg.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I don't have measurement tools in Thinkorswim.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yabu is saying that NVIDIA is still going up. It gonna be.
I think it depends what it reacts tomorrow. If we start bullish tomorrow, we're gonna hit 550, or it could retrace. It just depends. But 550 is what it's looking for.
Yeah, Yeah, I do see that. That 550, that technical top is based on an options chain, right? So you're looking at
Yep.
a geometric level of 3.618 at 549.30. So there's a lot of rhyming with that topside target. So if I mean, but remember, dude, that's 12 points away, and the average true range right now is sitting at around 17 points. So that's fair. It's fair to assume that there may be a rise here to
Yep.
at least.
It might have
550.
one more day.
Mhm.
It might have one more day.
But eventually, this doesn't last all the time, brother. There has to be a breather. It's going to take a breather at some point. And
That's your short.
uh-huh.
The short will pull down big. It could even come back down to 500.
I bet, and it'll still just create a higher
Uh-huh.
low. But it's conditional, buddy. We'll look at it tomorrow. And remember, we're trading this. You're here with me every day, so dude, we'll definitely look at it. Nvidia is in my scope, though.
I don't really swing trade because until we get a bull market, it's not.
Quite safe to
Anything could
expose
happen any
overnight.
day.
Yeah, can't just expose overnight like that. It's dangerous, dude.
Once we get a bull market, yeah.
We can hold those overnighters. Even in a losing position, we could probably hold overnight and
Mhm.
still gap up in the morning. Because
It'd
that's
be huge.
yeah, dude. Because I think that's what bull markets introduced. They introduced the potential of gap up plays.
We get a bunch of YouTubers. La, 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 to the moon.
So that would be your pre-market fades to gap up at open. All these new YouTubers, bro. Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of new YouTubers.
It's so annoying, dude. Like, where were you? Where were you?
I
when
called
was
it.
real?
I called it.
Yeah, right.
George W. George W.
George W. You could have thrown a dart at thousands of tickers, and you would have made money in the 2021 run, man. 2020,
George
right around there.
W.
It's almost
George W. is the stupidest. That's like a reversal.
that's
That's a double top.
or the double bottom. Yeah,
Double bottom.
so dumb.
George
Dude.
W.
George W. We're going up. That is so incredibly annoying, dude. But yeah, 5 minutes until close. I don't know if there's still a. It's just the overextension is hella real right now, man. So I don't even know that it would be responsible to trade anymore at all.
No, don't go in right now.
Right? No. What I mean is
No,
5-minute close of the hourly, because Nvidia. I'm sorry, what was it? Microsoft?
No.
No, Netflix.
Everything's overextended.
Netflix
Everything's
closing.
overextended.
Is Netflix though? Let me see. Netflix did have an opening at 475. It is up $8 on average true range, and it has a 1071. So it still has like $2 more to go. And I wonder if that's the resistance on the hourly. Let me see. 483. 85, dude. That's a prior day high. This is suggesting that if it close above the SMA 200 on the hourly, it could meet its average true range at a prior day high. But it feels it's topped out. You know, if it's so close to the top side. I honestly feel that we bled as much as we could. There is an hourly bearish divergence on volume too, so I don't know. You know, I don't feel the safest to trade anymore.
No.
So overextension, dude, is clear. Not a lot of people know when things are clearly overextended. You know,
Because they don't know how to use the ATR.
dude. I know. Oh my goodness, dude, I
They just
cannot
draw a
live.
bunch of lines and say, "All right, these are our levels."
Dude, a bunch of lines. If it crosses my line, bro, we're going down.
Just a bunch of lines with no meaning.
Yeah. Dude, the bunch of lines that I have are moving averages and linear regression. Oh, dude. Discretionary supports. Like, dude, man, come on. Yeah, we can't get too messy in the charts, team. The simple, and even when I'm building a script, like it's hard when I'm getting too complicated. Guys, the simple setups are usually the best ones. the obvious setups, even in a trade, even at execution. But it's hard to distinguish that though. Like, what do you consider to be obvious? That's the question that anyone will pose, and that's it's fair. 2 minutes 50 seconds left. Dude, Netflix is all over the place. I don't even know what to think of it. This thing is so close to the gravitational zone here on the hourly time frame RSI, and it's curved. It's not upside. So a technical break out of the SMA 200 technically wouldn't be enough. Crap. And also it's trying to find its high of day. It's trying to find its high of day. Look at that. It's 484.13. So there could be massive resistance there, 485.69 is prior day high. So yeah, it has two major areas of resistance. First of all, the today's high of day, and then prior day high. 484.13 to 485.69. That's over $1 of resistance. So, that could be the bull trap. So you'd have to be very careful here. Like I said, team, I am going to remain cash. I'm not going to gain any exposure here because I do think that there is a inherent risk of trading. But that's the close right there. Unless my clock is way ahead. What the hell's going on? Dude, what's DAS telling you as far as the hourly close? Is it done?
Let's see.
Because
for what? Netflix?
It just the hour, yeah, like anything. Is it because I have 48 seconds left
No.
to close the hourly?
No, it's still not closed.
How the hell is my damn computer off? It's supposed to be satellite, isn't it?
Using Starlink?
It's at no. What I mean is like it's just supposed to pull it out of a network, satellite.
Yeah.
So why the hell is it? It's 50 seconds ahead, or it's literally at 10:01 in 5 seconds.
You need to check your time sync on your computer.
Yeah, I'm gonna check that. That's true. 9 seconds left to close this. It's about to close above the SMA 200.
NVIDIA, you want it.
There you go. Netflix closed above the SMA 200 on the hourly time frame. There's contraction sort of happening here. In all technicalities, this is a bull play now. But NVIDIA moving up to 538. Dude, we may actually get this. We may actually get the resistance of 540 today, and then that's what we were saying, right? And then tomorrow maybe that 550.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
It's huge upside here, dude. That is crazy, bro. It was really cool place today, buddy. Yeah, dude, it's trying to combat that 538. 540 is definitely psychological. The break of a $10
Yeah,
move.
it is. Yeah.
And then especially 550. Holy crap. 538.18 is broken. Dude.
Linear regression, let's see, is at, let's see if it moved.
I have to look.
NVIDIA.
I have to look at an 8-hour one or a 6-hour one to see the
My
top side.
linear regression moved up, actually. It's at 544 now. 38.
Dude, I have linear regression on the 8-hour at 544.14.
Yeah, I'm 544.38.
On 8
I
hours?
almost feel like, no, on my 1 hour.
Dude, there's bands that we're missing here. I need to add bands to this. That's really weird. We'll find. We'll figure it out. 538.73. Damn, dude.
Come on.
538.90. Holy goodness. So that target that we're looking for, team discretionary resistance on Cryptic side. For me, it's geometric top side of 540.13. He has the 542 top now on what?
I have a 544.38, but
Oh, it moved.
psychologically, I think it's 540.
Yeah. It moved up because of the closure. The hourly closure pushed it, right? Wow, 538.90. Finding a little pressure there, but it's only normal, dude. As you get closer to that 618, people are going to start taking some profits there. Potential bounce at 537. I had my change. Kitty cat, I am no longer a man. Ian, sorry, is my battery on me? It's combating that 538.90 again.
Mhm.
Oh, is that why you think? Because of the right? You're talking about that. What battery is it again? The 5232 Energizer, the one for key fobs and stuff. I think it's a 5032 or 5232. I could have sworn I changed it when I upgraded it like 2 months ago. And you know they're supposed to last for a couple of years, few years at least.
539. 25.
But yeah, that's what keeps the
Buck.
time. Dude, there we go. 539.25. Damn. I got the cutout huevos. That's 10:05. 5 minutes into the after lunch, it would naturally show some more volatility. And it's incredible that it's not reverting.
I know. It could be stupid enough to get the 544 today.
Entirely all up in its FOMO, dude.
Mhm.
Oh, that's funny.
Here it comes.
There he goes. There he goes.
Bush.
Oh, dude, I really just want to see. I want to get the gratification of the 540 you're talking about.
Come on, Bush for 540. Bush. No, wrong way. There we go.
Oh my goodness, dude. Yeah, no, I didn't change that battery. I'm gonna change it. I see where it is, and I remember. No, it wasn't this one that I changed it on. I changed it on my Mac Pro Tower. It was definitely due there. Oh, dude, come on, 539.39. Wow.
Come on.
I really, dude, I just want to see you get it. This is dope. You know, we're headed there. It's literally 20 cents away. Come on.
Come on, puto.
You are a liar.
Here we go. Here it comes.
Oh, dude. Katie Cat said, this is where I FOMO in, right?
You know, you might actually make $5 people win.
No joke. You may actually make like 10% on an options call from here to there. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Never do
It's
that.
stupid. Ah, there we go.
Oh, dude.
Reject. Don't reject. Come on.
I know, dude. Man.
There we go. Here's the push. Come on.
It's like people are looking at
Come
this
on.
like, I should probably get in now. It's still going up.
I know. No.
Dude, no, don't get in, guys.
Remember, I only have runners.
Yeah, these are only runners here. You pull profits here. You know, this is out. This is way out. You're way over the average true range. You're freaking overextended in every time frame. We've literally ran this hot team. We pulled out profits at like 90% this move. You know? We pretty much got the top here. Damn. Oh, dude, come on. I feel like at some point it's just gonna like wick the 546 and be done.
Yeah.
It would be on some lying ass things like that, dude.
Come on. Bastard.
Oh my goodness, dude. It's so strong there, bro. It's just, you know, it's not only 540 psychology, it's also the 618.
Don't
Dude.
go down to my break even, fool. I'm only so pissed if it hits my break even if it's like 50 shares. Like that gets right in the middle of my break even and my
Stop loss of break even.
the stop breaking. Yeah, just the unrealized.
To keep you green.
Yeah.
Not like I can, but would it be? Let me see. But would it be smart to go to puts after the upside? No.
No.
You don't do that. You have to get validation for the put played after this.
You need a rejection off something like the linear regression, and then you need to see it reverse.
Yeah,
And you go in.
a major moving average, linear regression, rejection. There's a bunch of things that you need. You can't just do it off of a psychological target. The closure below one, no, not enough. It needs to be a tangible resistance and a
Like right now,
conversion.
it could go down to the 9 or the 20 and still make it 546.
Mm-hmm. Because the last thing you want here is this thing to pull back to, 538 or 537, and then bam, it hits 544 in an instant. Dude, that'll push you way out of the money. And the next thing is that we don't know, because look at how slow it is. We don't know that this is just going to top out at 540, and then it's just going to consolidate around 537 and 540 and make this macro bull flag.
And remember, 540 is a psychological number, so it might actually stop here. Not even hit it.
Yep. Pedro said, "Nice."
But
nice.
I think it will, but it's possible.
Yeah.
comes.
I mean, the potentials or the probabilities are always
There
there.
it is.
Dude,
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh my God. 540, dude. 540.10.
Come on.
I hit 540.
Bastard.
Are you trying to get the 13 or which one?
I'm trying to get 540.
What? I'm at 540.10.
No, but remember the level 1, the bid has to reach it.
Oh, the bid.
Or sell.
I'm sorry. Damn it.
The bid. You're looking at the bid.
That sucks, man.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the hard target.
Come on. One more push.
Dude, look at the 618 against that. It's ridiculous,
Come on.
man.
You'll hear a thing. Let's see. Come on.
And then, dude, not always do we get to see this. Not always do we get to see a 618 Fibonacci retracement actually work. That's nasty, dude. That's nasty.
Bastard.
And team, remember when I told you that you pull out not at the dollar mark?
Yeah.
Look at this, 2
See,
cents away.
That's what I was saying. 540 is a huge psychological. There's nothing there.
Nothing.
It's all psychological.
Yeah. It's the break of
It
a
could
$10
just to pull
move.
back right now.
Exactly. It's a break of a $10 move. And then even bigger when it's 550, and then even yet bigger when it reaches 600. No, Kitty Cat, don't do it. No.
Katie going in?
Katie going in for puts.
Katie likes. No, never mind.
Katie was like, I'm going in puts. Let's go.
Come on. All right, one more try.
It feels like it's going to do it, man. And it may
Yeah.
do the 544.
Dude, if it pushes up past, it's gonna shoot to 544.
Yeah, if it beats the 540, it's gonna be like blip and then gone and then done. Oh man.
Come on. Here it is. Here it is. Come on, puto.
Oh my goodness.
Hijo de tu.
Dude, I'm dying for the 13. Come on.
You know
Oh
how
my
dash you can
goodness.
see your private target? It's like right on it, but it hasn't gone.
You're on the line of take profit.
Yeah.
And it's
There,
not
here it
doing
is. Here it is. Come on. There it is. This should be it. Nope. Bastard.
Oh,
Like if this was like full port right now, I would move it down and just take it.
Yeah,
But
I would just
since it's
take
only.
oh,
Yeah.
oh, dude,
Here it is,
dude,
here it
dude, 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 come on.
Ah.
Are you joking? Everybody's taking
See-
profit at that 540.
Yeah. Everybody. See, that's a lesson to everybody. If you have options, you'd be effed right here.
Yeah, this is just Vega minus here, man.
Come on.
Oh my
One more
goodness.
push. One more push.
This is ridiculous, dude. Come on.
Come on. It doesn't want to let it go.
Such a liar.
Come on, hijo de tu puta. All right, 90.
Ooh.
90. Oh,
Oh my goodness. Dude, I can't believe
191.
Oh, dude.
There you go.
Oh, I got it. Bro, let's go. 540.25. Dude, it's going to probably wick to 544. Damn, let's go.
I still have 20 left.
I have more runners on top of the runners.
What's because I added?
Oh, dude. Oh, that's so funny, bro. Damn, I can't believe it, man. Dude,
But 540 was my number. It was like my number for today.
yeah, dude. That was impressive enough
Yeah.
already. 540.61, dude. Holy crap. Hey, there's a lot of sell pressure here now. It feels like it's pulling back a little harder than normal, so
Yeah.
a natural
I
pull.
think-
Say it, buddy.
This is a pullback. This should be a good pullback.
Yeah, and don't
Honestly,
play the option.
I hope it dies here so we have a play tomorrow.
Yeah, because dude, like, what are we gonna do with all this price discovery? There's nothing to look back at.
Like literally, if this plays right, we have a 10-point move tomorrow, and then we have puts on Thursday
Puts on Thursday, man. Ooh, right
Yeah.
up to 500.
and Friday.
And Friday, yeah. Friday should be historically red. So,
Mhm.
Galvin, dude, thank you, buddy.
Oh, Pedro, he don't teach this. This is me.
What?
It's like, nice. That's why I started your class. I'm like, Arca don't teach this.
Oh no, this was not regarding that question. This was regarding
Oh.
what was it regarding? Pedro, what was that regarding again, buddy? Because he said he was gonna start puts at 540, and
Oh.
I said no, don't do that because we would need to validate whatever, or confirm or whatever. Then he said, "Oh, well, this is why I started your class." I'm like, dude.
You ain't gonna be here tomorrow, Katie? The heck are you doing?
Work.
What the hell's work?
You gotta go swim.
She's gonna swim. She's gonna go in her bikini to go dive somewhere.
It's like, wait a second, you're about to choose to swim with the dolphins instead of trading with us? God. Oh, forest surface work? Damn. That sounds tough. I hope it's not hot.
Abu, it depends how we end today.
Yeah. It really does depend on today, buddy. But I hope it pulls back enough so that we can have a type of support that we can bounce off from. Because if it closes like at 544 today, then You know,
No,
we don't know
we don't have to
anything.
play tomorrow.
We don't know nothing.
Yeah.
Bro.
Of course, this bastard could get to 600. What was the
Dude.
price target on that? 700?
The price target on this?
Yeah, it was 700, I think.
Who said the upgrade?
Yeah,
Let me see.
I think it was 700.
Yeah, dude, 1100, bro, and 663.74.
God.
So in other words, we should have just never let go of any shares at all.
Yeah. I should just keep the shares.
Oh my
Right up.
goodness, dude. You're
It's
writing
the point where I could trade less and less shares.
I'm writing a communication plan. Boring. Damn it. It's like that is not making 175% in the stock market, bro. Guys, this was a magnificent day. This was really cool. I hope that we can turn Ian's days green soon, buddy. But dude, try to work on your psychology, buddy. I hope that you feel better. And if like you need a bros night or something, I'm down to talk. You're in? What do you mean? Katie Cat, what are you in?
Kitty Cat's in?
Oh, for the bros talk. Yeah. What the hell? I'm doing it so that I can hopefully, entice Ian because we could always. I want to make sure that I'm also there as like I am not a psychologist. I'm a dude though, bro. I'm a dude though, bro. Dude though, bro, man. So is Tesla to go to the downside? Well, I want to know what the close is today, buddy. So we're currently at a critical resistance right now. The upside here is looking limited. Prior bar high at 235.99. SMA 5 on the 3-hour time frame, 236.90. This is a breather, buddy. This is a breather. It's gotta take its time. I also need to see where we're gonna close in here. The bi-daily time frame is the one that's gonna tell us 2 hours and 40 minutes. So all this downside is gonna start reading in about 2 hours to see where volatility lands for the for the system for the systems play. She's bro adjacent. Nice. I've had a rough few days, but it's getting better. My edge hasn't been there, and I knew not to trade, but did anyway. We'll get it, buddy. We'll do this, dude. We'll do it together. So, yeah, dude. I will speak about a Tesla play tonight in a video. I have to update it. I appreciate you too, dude. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and Lord, quite the opposite. Dude, that's terrible. Oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and close down here, team. Let's go ahead and do the damn thing. Do the damn thing. It's been a great day. Really appreciate everybody for coming on by. If any questions or concerns, you know where to hit me. And also, please remember to join the Discord so you can. So before you know it, I'm not going to be guiding plays here live. So it's just going to be on Discord.
You know what? I'm discounting the Discord for the next 24 hours. Only $10 each.
Discounted.
Discounted.
Sounds good, brother. Thanks again. Gotta go back to work. Peace. Pedro, adios, buddy. Galvin, appreciate you, man. Damon, good to see you, buddy. Have a great day too. Cryptic, love you, buddy. Well, let me just say bye to the team.
All right.
To the team. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever, ever, never, never. And never, never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well a very good rest of your day. And I will catch you at the bell mañana. Adios. Later, buddy.
Yeah. Look at freaking NVIDIA.